Girl, I want to say sit down.
Yeah, for
Alright, me go come back on the road now.
I left me 1 year. That's me underage. Where you go?
What you mean, me go? You have no intention to do anything in here?
Yeah, but anything can happen. Me house can burn down.
Remember, say I hear that I can't life fire. Let me tell you something, little girl.
So what me gonna eat if me can't light the fire? You cook something for me.
Cornflakes in there. Why you give me back chat? Cornflakes in there and snacks in there.
Me no want that.
Then yam shit. Yam shit. Go call your mother and tell her to send something and yam then. Remember, I'm not your mother. Listen to me. I'm not in that with you. May I come go up on the road, you know? But deal with something. I don't want to hear this from you. Please, me, I beg you. Oh, Via, why are you here?
Wait, come here. What is? I would up there.
I'm a man, girl.
So I'm
me your size?
So I'm to John and Paul.
At least me can't take with the little girl. Go and go sit down and go hold a child's space. Me your size?
But yeah, ask me.
I'm excitement for. I'm just reach.
No, actually ask me if you're my boyfriend. Go sit down over there, so.
I wonder what kind of drama I'm going with over there.
What's drama be? Little girl, nobody on your side here, so.
So she knows me your boyfriend and.
Come and tell her boy, me just show some picture. Anyways, me will come go on the road, but like here come, you can follow me, cause something me I go collect out there, so.
Sure.
Do not left the yard, and me no want a friend here, and don't bring nobody in my place, cause look like you love man, I bring the man in my place. Alright.
Me and the same thing in a girl.
I don't even have no time for you.
How are you there so early morning?
I'm brother, me have a
Your brother?
Yeah.
But the last time I check it, tell my brother say, well, I hear people then they're foreign.
My brother come down, girl. Me have a brother right just hour.
Oh. So you could wait for me in yard?
No, more like a cool breeze.
So you could take a cool breeze from the veranda?
Oh.
Anyway, as a shop me I go, me sure no see a shop me I go. But me don't know where you there do you so. You see me brother?
No, me not see a brother from morning get up and gone. He must say we should and get breakfast.
Alright. Now go shop.
So I'm happy now, babes.
Okay.
Can't wait for reach up in a while.
Tapping. Are you there so we pan
What you mean you away from him?
I'm a brother, girl. I'm a brother.
From
yes.
No brother sister here.
She me gonna introduce you to man a surprise
When
man.
you plan to introduce me, can you introduce me to everybody else? Oh, what am to see?
My little sister man I choose she not to come on the road. Me I wonder how she does come out so.
Little sister.
Yeah, be.
Oh, little sister, what your name?
You want to know that, pa?
Girl, smart man.
Girl, I'm a man. I'm your
brother.
ask her what's your name?
Sister, so she's babes, so she station I really like.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Babes, I'm a little sister.
Say no, what your little sister name?
Of course.
So what's your name?
Shilly.
I don't like your name. Anyways,
If you don't like my sister
go
name,
away
babes.
up your yard. We go up on the road, remember?
Yo, link me down a yard, you know.
Alright.
Come. Yeah, your sister not live in the same house.
No, she gonna come link me down a yard. She live with her father. Babes, what you talk about? Come in, man.
So your sister not look like she a jacket.
What?
I a jacket.
But that we didn't start.
Anyways, come on.
Yes, the right spot. Never fail me.
So you come find me for houses.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Me no must find a breakfast shop. You know, see people in the wake it.
And then me a wait and we come give me coffee, yeah.
So, you could drink a coffee up your yard?
No, it's a different coffee.
You can't buy coffee somewhere else and carry up your yard go drink it.
Why? I'm out of that for.
Well,
Yeah, breeze out steam when
I have a story to tell you.
My story go now.
I don't know money. I don't come back the money this morning.
I'm glad.
Me passed your woman out at bamboo tree. So she went for her brother. But the last time I checked, when you introduced me, they say, me asked her where her siblings in there, she said the whole of them they are foreign. So how they reach Jamaica now officially a bamboo tree wait for her brother. Listen up
man.
and things up a yard for do.
No, you say brother come down forward from foreign, say I come check him, so say a normal prayer family that no long time I say I must left them.
So what do you yard?
Me about the yard.
In brother
Two
can
one man in the yard, you know. You know, one man of me.
So bamboo tree appropriate fish to stand up?
So, I mean, everybody can see and so I go on. So, nothing now hide. In a public and the pulpit, man. What do you expect?
You know you're fool.
What do you mean,
Mommy
I'm a
never
fool?
knows so you're fool.
Some fool.
Anyways.
Just like you can pass them and tell them so you can pass everybody else. What now?
Like how you there, so I pay your coffee and the coffee not ready. You can't give me money, make me go buy something.
It just say no money you come for. No your money you want now.
But the coffee not ready.
Like me I wait for it.
But if you give me money, you can't just go on the road and make it back quick.
Me not move for yourself, you know, right now.
Say I go for your woman a bamboo tree.
Sure. Me have to go to him. Oh.
I stay too long, serve two master. Later,
No,
shop me a go.
And my woman, she not cheat for me, you know.
Alright.
Me I tell you.
Big body girl, away there, fan.
Yes, so, you know, so me depend my big body.
Turn up no man.
For what reason?
Love admiring
Turn up and you
you,
give
you
me.
know.
You turn up and you give me $2,000.
$2,000.
Yes.
That's a chump change. Turn up no man, chump change, man. 360.
360, you give me 10 more grand for the $2,000.
A chump change that to me. I tell
Stop
you.
here now. Cause me go in the shop to buy one patty and me short.
Me nah no change to get $10,000.
She don't need no change. $5,000 plus $2,000.
No, me not spend Jamaican money. Me not
Oh, $100 then, man. You give me number.
1,000 US they have.
I come here, yeah, they give me $1,000 US.
That sound better, but we could go a bush and then we go up a yard after and
Give
get.
me money now.
We can't go get now.
You general, but you're not general than me. Not a money, you know, have a walk and look, man.
I joke me on it.
You think I don't care them for write off? Or you for write off? Can you have dry shit? What you have?
Me have food up a yard.
Go see food there we have up here. There could be some family food. Move from right so.
Come here,
like a
come
food
here.
for the
That one
poor.
sister, come here.
What problem?
You think woman will have, I don't know if you tell you, I just chop me there.
Yeah,
You know,
no.
something not really fancy about them something there anymore. Me I get too whole, you know. You see, the woman will have up there. It's not a good woman.
Okay, and what you want me to do? Job one of my brother, me can't skin out and give him what you want. So I have to stay with her until him decide to leave her.
No, not that. Yeah, tell him. You have to go show him, not tell him. Just show him.
Show him what?
You know, say, girl, about one baby, what
Me never see, so me fi show him.
Yes. Me tell the doctor, you know. And me did hear me I say, me know that girl I found somewhere. I may try to look for her good, you know, but she put on something over her face, you know. And then...
So where you got the doctor for? Tonic?
Yeah.
Oh,
You know?
Your back look weak, like you suffer from malnutrition.
No
You
worry,
look unhealthy.
no worry about that. The tonic soon come. We go check up what kind of tonic
So you need buy tonic same time, you know the money?
We kind of broke right now.
Oh,
Me
my.
flash out. But yeah, no.
Girl, then name you out.
You make me look so.
No, I have to something my sister-in-law do you will make you
No,
want my
that.
brother left her so.
So, we go to the doctor now. When I turn to see the doctor, we go to the doctor and say, doctor, the person will come in here. A while last name, a Johnson. The doctor say, oh, me know. So I say, me know her, man. I'm a relative. Come here, tell her, you know, come on, know what go on, you know.
Yeah, so what the doctor did name? Because the doctor did need to get sued.
No,
She
yeah.
cannot give out the people information to you. From me see me know say you're a
Me
madman.
think of the big age she catch, you know. So me go to him and say, doctor, she catch it, no, she catch it. He say, yeah. He say, no, under that.
What the big A?
Eh?
Yeah?
The big A, B-I-A-D-I, what you want, B-I-D-S. No, when I say B for, A-I-D-S.
I think me dance for you, don't shut up.
No, listen, no. You shut up, no, man. Then, when me say to the doctor, say, remember, you know, and me a regular customer, me can't, no people come here, you know. Make me know what I want, because I'm a family, me need to know. He say, she about a baby.
So where you got the doctor regular for?
Huh?
Huh?
I'm going to do my regular checkup.
Oh.
It's good for your regular checkup.
But you never got the doctor.
Why?
Can't go to the clinic.
No,
What happened with the clinic?
me not trust nothing on the government hand. You see, that's why enough of you can't breed because the government has give them something to juke on the backside.
Me did tell us I want breed. Me not want breed because when me name me pitney, so you go talk and say me did name it.
Oh, so you're one of them too?
Yeah.
You can't pass cemetery then. Pick never gonna say, woo! Yes, it, you're not choke, I wanna choke you. Hey! Whoa, no, wait there. Hold on there. Something alright. Wait at the on the road.
Me go shop, me go buy something.
What you really are going to shop go buy? No.
One Pepsi.
One Pepsi?
Mm-hmm.
You want my fridge this morning?
Yeah.
What you see in the fridge?
Me not see nothing.
You don't see nothing in the fridge?
Nothing. Me not see nothing. Nothing at all.
I'll ask you one more time. Cause you can't use one switch now again, beat picking, you know, cause I feel like when we use one switch beat, you know, we not learn. This are too little. This are too little. You don't see nothing in the fridge this
Me
morning.
not see nothing in the fridge.
Put on your slippers. Put it down. And then you buy them. Put it down. When you open the fridge, you know, see 6 Pepsi. 6 little Pepsi and one big one.
Me no want the one there in the fridge. Me want the one down a shop.
Oh! You know what? When me buy a supermarket, put in the fridge. You want the one down a shop.
You want in the fridge too cool.
You want in the fridge. So you know,
hot one more.
so you know, see the hot one, the rest of the hot one on the top of the fridge.
Me not see nothing on the top of the fridge.
Angel,
Hmm?
how much time we go talk to you saying left out of the yard? How many time we go talk to you saying left out of the yard?
Me not remember how much time you talk to me.
Angel was sweet up on the road.
You breeze, you cool breeze.
The yard,
I
no,
me alone is sweet.
the yard no have none.
No, sir.
Look up picnic, let me tell you something. You see, me and them type of father, they will let go them picnic all over the place. You hear? You see, when your mother send you come spend a couple days here, me want to make sure how she send you come here, and so you they go back home. All if you come here, and obeyed, and so you they go back home. You hear me I say?
Yeah, we are saying.
Any how your mother send you come here, and so you go back home.
Mm-hmm.
If he was send you come here with belly, you go back home with it. Me no want nothing to do with it. You see, when you're under my hand, on my roof, Allah. What me say?
Into me under fear roof, Allah.
Right. And when they give you a rope,
Mm-hmm.
meaning they have to come out of the yard. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So what you do on the roads?
We just go and take a walk as well. Me say fi buy hot Pepsi. Can a hot one not.
Show me the money.
I could have lost the money last. Say money there.
Show me the money.
No, sir. The money lost. You don't see the money lost.
Father God, look how me a child avoid from prison. Hmm? Look how me a child avoid from prison. Eh? Wait, I must hold you.
Lion thing. Something what kind of style is that?
Wait about.
If the company already in a short me, you need to call me for my phone and I know see you doing your stuff.
Listen me. Cause you there say wait for no long now.
How long now?
Yes, I may wait
Suppose
for.
me and the girl that come.
Yeah.
And what kind of style is on the road what do you?
You don't see she live up and flick me.
The pop and flick what?
Ratted. Like all you nice see.
Come see man, none of that could have happened. But man, me tell you this. You can't come on the road just so. If you can link up you know, and call me on the bird. You don't know that man?
I'm supposed to call you.
So what you doing right now?
As the money me a look.
I'm tell you be money you know it's time man. You worry about money so much time and me give so much money
You not tell me see me in a bonnet. I think my nails want do. I want to put on lashes. You not see how your woman look?
I mean if me tell you that say you know that. Like a money and money every minute in black and white sitting.
Exactly. Some more money for go do my ear.
Come see man, I want to you man and top of chatting man. I need you for chatting right now. You know. We say you want a piece of food?
Mm-hmm.
Come in. I feel like I'm gonna do something right now too, you know.
And then I give you money.
What do you man? I get the money first, man. Then we do something, isn't it?
Alright. Come now.
No. Something tight up here, man.
Later.
You see that good enough, alright with that way I get?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Yeah.
When I call link me up again, because I know too want you come company road, so you know.
Me call you.
You sure?
Yeah.
You on a ramp with me, you know?
Alright. Hey. I mean not stop like that the boy there, no. Cause me have to buy a car off him. Me have to buy a car off him. Someone you know. That's
Tired. Watch him. That's all you do. Huh?
what you want.
That's all you do. Go around and take people, man. You know, nothing good to do. And you have one look at half of one. We not even know when there. You know, nothing good to do.
What you want, sir?
No people, man, alone, man. Look at what single man they bought the place.
Man have to take.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
you ever hear what they say?
Mm-mm.
Whole full want and whole full need. You ever hear that word there?
No, I don't even know what that mean.
It means that you have to find somebody for yourself because what you want now go want you.
You find somebody for yourself?
Don't worry about me
So
good.
what you worry about me for?
Uno are the young generation, uno mash up the island. Uno do no bad breed self. You think me not see the doctor over there?
Where see me down a doctor do?
You think me not see you?
Where you see me down a doctor
Me
do?
can't hold on my mouth, me a whole fridge, me defrost either. You dash your belly. I mean, no one of your job won't belly that.
I know that.
At top of the top, when name? Tip of the... Where
That
man?
people business they love too much. Just
Where
saying
the man
nothing
where you
around
take
here.
name?
That's not your business.
Top link, yes. Top link. And that you want link up. To give me some of the money where you get. Because I know you going to get money, you know. Because anytime you see her come up, smiling, yes, money. Make sure you take your money there, you know. Because every day me see you ban it. Listen to me. Stop. Take people, man.
No, stop.
Me single, the whole world single. You have job one everything, you don't need nothing more. I want to drink too much money now and get up at night time. And that happen. And between me and me and you, me not talk. And that happen, drink too much money
You
now and
can't
get
hold
up.
them out.
Jesus Christ, I didn't know to backside. I tell the boy one day, you know, say drink up bush and tonic. I think if that not work for me, take a blue pill and then sell a pharmacy. Yeah, that will stand it up good. So, what one?
They go about my business.
So you love him?
Love who?
Wait then, top link, yeah, sorry. I only want my daughter to be like you though. Cause if my daughter be like you, stand past to Jamaica for the whole entire year.
I can't surf anybody, my love.
Oh, you teach
She
me a
made it
lesson.
worse than me. Anyways, I go about my
You know,
business.
say your face to your ring, come here, your face to you. You wait. Oh, you there?
What you deal with now?
Okay, I'm busy saying the bartender. What the bartender when the dead?
No, someone, no call me something from bar to to you, man.
Well, look at the time of day.
Probably,
After 12.
They must go and eat something on the road.
Anyway, I don't want to talk about right now.
What go on? What kind of mix up you have now? Call you? Boy.
Oh, you know I mix something I can come.
Call you need a mix up, man, I expect.
No, really, you know.
I'm ready for laugh, you know.
But, your woman, you trust your woman?
They call smile from my face, big man. I'm like today. You see over there, sir? I'm like, I take a smile from my face. I'm ready for laugh, I take care of my face. What do you mean by me trusting a woman? I'm a woman. I'm live with.
Me ask you if you trust her.
You mean trust my woman, daddy?
That bumper that she have, I know you alone at touch it.
What?
I know you alone at touch it.
What you trusting me? You trust my woman bumper to boy?
Oh!
Or put me, you know.
No, that me a talk about.
Mean. So what you try to say,
Your woman a cheat on you. Yes, she a cheat on you.
You're a virgin, you know, man. Nobody make me fall out, man. Nobody with that.
You don't believe me?
You want to stir up my brain so my woman left me? Where you want to come to throw up my burn some, left my woman left me, for you can get her.
So you don't believe me?
What kind of believe? Me must have some money.
What me want you want to do?
You just say me woman bump cock up and look good and everything.
Yeah!
Mm-hmm.
No mean to me want her.
You mean?
Alright, be honest with you.
Yeah.
She have a next man.
Me no have no man.
Me asking the reason why she have a next man.
Man. Nobody show it. Mm-hmm.
She say, when you drink rum and come in, you can't turn up. I know me say so, you know.
I like she
And she say so.
You're mad.
She say, she have a backsy and pick pan and it still not get up. So me I introduce you now to blue pill. You go to the pharmacy, if you can't take tonic and the tonic now work for you. You go to the pharmacy. Every time you always tell you, leave rum bar alone, it a mash up in your life.
Mash up in your life them.
Any man that you go rum bar, go sit down and drink, you know. But I murder them for days, you know.
But murder who for days?
That's why they go drink out them stress.
No
protect
stress.
your woman. Go up and wire your woman.
Yo, go on, yo.
If you can't turn up to your woman, you face up to it.
Hey, that's what I do.
No,
that's what I want to do.
I teach you something.
Not teach me the part. Go on.
Your face up.
Me say go on, daddy.
When me say face up, what you me talk about? What you me talk about?
Me know what you talk about.
What?
Me not.
Explain something me talk about.
Me a born Jamaican. Jamaican don't eat raw meat.
Me never say you fi suck, and me never say you fi eat.
When I say if me
Me
can't.
say you fi face up to your woman, meaning say, you turn up and choke her and put it in. And that if you do your face up, woman like when you box them up when you have sex with them, you know.
Oh.
And 10 times they take out your anger, you box them up in their sleep and choke them.
Yeah.
The last time me hold one, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me did it, and me the panta par, and me a wine, and me a take me little time. Yeah, no. Baby, choke me, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You can choke me too, you know. Mm-hmm. So me say, wow. And when I hold it choke, me remember the time, me give her me $50,000 in Yamafi. And I squeeze on the throat, so boy. You say, me look, me see Yaya roll over and I blew out. Me say, backside. Me let it go, me catch on me, catch you around there, hold it again. Yeah, and me let it go, and me see go,
Me not do that. Me not go over a limit, but me alright.
No, I then style they like.
What style?
That's the woman like it, they like when they choke them.
Listen man, so me go in the, see if me go in 230, me a come out 131. Me mean 231. So me a lapse.
You're going 230?
Yeah.
You're coming at 231?
231. Whole heap of time that. That's whole heap of time.
Anyway. You feel like you start drink rum. Later. Me not talk to you today. Me don't do that today. Later.
You alright man. See me kill up myself on a woman. Hey. 1 minute. Look, see I get half 5 minutes.
You hear about the old test? It's up here.
Sure.
I'm tired. No one sit down.
Now tell me there's something wrong with mommy.
Girl,
Something wrong with her?
something wrong with who?
Mommy.
No, girl.
So what?
I'm just stressed.
How are you?
Can you something feel like something wrong, girl? Remember my man and my brain come what here?
Which one?
One of my brain come today.
Oh, the bleach out one?
Yeah.
Oh, what wrong with him?
I like it, boy, no, but girl, I don't feel like him now.
What make you say that?
I just money about him. Every time he see me, I something he want. You know what I mean? Like I use him, I use me.
You know, so me I pick them enough in this, but me can't guide you, me can't tell you certain things, but I know everything me know because me still young.
Alright, now I'm just fed up.
So what you plan for do?
Me and a girl come, I really like him. I'm the one the relationship just done because me assume. I'm never true. I was today, me and walk, I see one girl stop him, man. I you me there away, Pam. Oh, say her. What she say, what? She say her brother. But girl, I don't know that the sister then. I'm not trust it.
I don't feel like her sister neither, you know.
Me neither.
But today I take your money, give man. And if me, all what me want, me not ask for it, I give man.
How was the school, girl?
Me not talk about that, you're responsible for that.
Me and mother, I made it push you out.
Well, she a pay if you look out for me.
What the money? You know what? Warn him. Can't take it. That's why I'm talk to pick me. A child is always gonna act like a child.
So why me never want in it because you're gonna say me nah no manners. Me I try tell you good something here, you come and rush me.
Go on in, girl.
And I'm not going to want you.
On that, you're gonna see what your name today.
Oh. How you name me? Wait till me call mommy.
Birds of a feather, yeah, just stick together. Hello. Where you come from?
Where about me I come from? Just know say me reach.
Just no say reach?
Yeah.
I see you take this yard for?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, what do you mean by just now say you reach? You know how long me I hear about you?
This is a big puppy show, yeah.
Who name Toppling?
Oh!
Who name Toppling?
What you talk about?
Who you talk about?
You know what you talk about?
Well, one night place, you know. Him know people business like him even know him one business and I know everybody business, you know. Him see me today and tell me about how you want this Toppling. Who is Toppling?
My ugly man?
I don't know.
So you say it's one
to
man?
Me, no. He might come tell me. Yes, man, I know that man is the ugliest man in the village, man. You know
well, yeah.
Him tell me.
Me, I say woman dash your belly. How you push gun and you never tell me.
What do you mean by my one dash your belly? It's not easy.
I want me ear.
You're bright, man, woman dash your belly. So you can't get none.
Me never tell him I want none puppy show. Idiot. No sense.
What do you mean by none
Broke pocket.
What do you mean by broke? Look for me.
Remember this man in me beg you Angela, you never have it.
No, me want give it to you.
Okay. Come like a puppy show. I'm sorry me didn't even say nothing to you. I'm glad me I never
so me can't get none from you, you know. She me have to go in every night and get me what me want.
That's why you have your road that scandal and that way. Yeah, when you know I walk a cemetery, double should have wall on and hang on by your tongue. Sorry me didn't even say nothing to you. Little old puppy show.
Where do you do my yard gate?
What do you mean when me at the yard gate? If you got some me live there?
Where do you do away?
Because me don't want to go in my room, so me stay at the front. You don't tell me where to go. None of that move me. Low life, move me.
Yo, I just want from do away thing number.
But tell that she want up on your foot, you move like a faster. Papi sure.
Good evening, Daddy. How are you cook?
The usual.
What that now?
The most tin mackerel and dumpling.
Tin mackerel again? You can't cook some chicken or some liver or something. Tin food?
Let me ask you a question. You work?
No.
You provide?
No.
Your mother sending no money come down here?
No.
Every time your mother pack a bag and send it down, is that too long and she send it with? This is, we tell you already, you know. Same way how your mother send it down here, same way I am sending you back. Because me give your mother lunch money for the whole entire year, you know. This way me I give lunch money, me give for the whole entire year. Me not respond. Me check every day when school I keep and send that the money there. So your mother not call me and tell me say, you want lunch money for you. And me I check how much day you missing. Cause you see how much day you missing from school within the school keeping. Me I write it down. Me they write it down. So next year again, when they give her lunch money for the week, me count out the days them again and add it on it. Me no fool. If fathers did they do them and sit here, they won't have no woman and nag them. Plan out your picking lunch money for your far ahead in the future. So when you give a woman it, you don't respond to anymore. You understand? And I don't like it. She can't spend it right away. Come in, make sure it's a telebank and type it up, say, do not transfer until XYZ. Because we make sure we make the account a simple thing. When you make the account, you set a payment plan. And you set when you want if you transfer each month to pay. How some do it? So your mother can't call me. She have to call bank. A bank fault that if bank not send the money right on time. Me don't set the money if you send. You understand? A mackerel me have, and a mackerel you shall eat.
But
nobody better than mackerel. Nobody does it good than Grace. It's when you want mackerel, check Grace. The best mackerel. Right now, me cat them, me go give one tin to eat. So you're lucky.
We tired of eating mackerel, you know?
Hold it, you chat too much.
Me can't bother with the tin mackerel, you know?
Before you eat.
And could have me all hungry too.
Wake up your yard. Hello.
What?
You see, if me ever stay on the road for the rest of the week there, remember, you see 2 foot them I hit a carry out of the yard. You see 2 foot them, you broke them. And when they heal, me in the back of your mama yard. Don't left out of this yard. You hear? Your girl picking it. And them your man nowadays now partial nothing. As they see a girl a walk past and then she say they have breasts. See them here.
You
So them go
stop
along.
it. You stop it. What me gonna do in this yard? I mean, I have no phone.
Listen me, you don't need phone.
And no TV in your house.
No child should have phone until 16 up. Me tell you that. No child at all. No have no phone until 16 up. Because you see what I do? Una put code on phone. Una code up WhatsApp. Una code up Snapchat. You think me head big? Una text to Snapchat to cartoon and know so no matter search on WhatsApp. Una text to Snapchat. Una text to Instagram. But I told the mama them, all them kill it and love man, they don't pay attention to them picnic. But let me tell you this. Me a one father. I know me plan to go to prison. Me will turn up in a throat. You see, any day me carry go a doctor and doctor say your green card become red card. Move.
No. Do me a beg you. Nobody with it.
Go up here too, before you eat. Yeah, I'm bright.
What you? Are you even planning security for secure my place?
My girl, that even say good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, miss. Miss big woman. Cause as morning light, you brush your teeth from morning, you come sit down out and say the place where I wake up. You come sit down on the nastiness. I back and say, me know you get earning from money, I know I have to lick in your mouth. The place clean up from morning, miss?
Yeah, me clean up the kitchen.
The bedspread? Yeah. Your beard?
Yes.
You brush your teeth? Yeah. So I'm to out say no plan to clean up.
I mean outside, you live outside?
Oh, so people now pass and you now walk outside to go inside. Good
Better
morning,
shape.
baby. Oh, go on.
Better body. Oh, go on.
Hello, look, girl, get up and go on. It's like, come in and understand from what you get fresh, you know. You get very, very fresh.
Well, I ask you a question. You know come out there.
Oi, are you asking question not here?
No, be, I'm
Sir, listen to me. You know come here, so come like you walk out after me.
I could never hear that deal with us.
And I'm a daughter, my sister, but she a go like me her mother. She a go like me push her out.
So make you go and touch your boyfriend.
I must be push her out because she get fresh, you know.
Hello.
If you know your mother not take care of you, me I take care of you.
Listen to me, better body, listen to me. I need to care on the road right now.
You don't want the money today, because me broken, I'm tired for you give you
Girl,
things.
see, no baby girl, man, a sport. Where go sport, man, what do you, man?
You have money.
Let's go.
Right. Anyways, I said before, don't leave the yard. I don't want a man here, I don't want nobody in my yard. I'm going to come back out and say, come sit down. Sit down
So why
here,
you
so.
a care man come here for your yard?
Yes.
Joker in her face, now, little sister, I'm going to get tough
No,
talk.
don't do that. Listen, I don't want you to sit down out and say, I come back. I come like your security.
Let's go.
Come in the house for your eat.
Girl, what happened?
What happened, girl?
You know, a long time me do want to come for you to take you out of the yard, but just to my father say me not feel left the yard. Girl, me could come.
There you are.
So you depend.
There you are going relax. You know, no one there. Sister gone out there to fear me.
So come here, go on the road now.
Come on now, cause
Come
I'm
on.
good exercise.
How going good exercise?
Girl, me tired of how far we walk go.
Just chill, man. You soon now.
Me sure no bad place here carry me going.
No, why would I do that to you, me, your friend?
Girl, that's your deal. Friend do
Where's that
anything, you
going
know.
to? Me not do nothing because a long time me know you, so me not see why
Well, me
would I
can't
hurt you.
too sure for nobody. Anything at all can happen.
Girl, me not hurt you. Look
So
for me,
suppose your
come
father
here,
buck
look
we up somewhere around here, so what you gonna tell him?
My
say?
father not come nowhere around you, so.
You don't know that. Anything can happen, as me say.
Nothing not happen.
Make sure, you know. Cause me
Girl,
can't take my
come.
big sister and fear man right now.
Girl, poor you big. Oh, me fi kill you. Are you even more kill me?
Girl, stop saying something, yeah, man.
Girl,
Me
me
not
not
do
do
that
nothing at all. I mean, not even have no cutting tool or nothing.
Well, you can't hire a man to kill me or something. Look
Where
how
me fi
far.
get money from?
You know how long me a walk?
You see, me dey have money instead of eating food from my father. Would I take that guy KFC?
Your father not stop taking money by rum,
Instead of me go use money,
rum.
just to face man fi come kill you and dead fi hungry.
You can more than get chicken and then something there.
Where?
Rum heady man be.
Oh God. Be fun hot in a man. Yeah, make we a walk around the place.
Come see na be man where you want go down in the town for be a busy place you want go
It
and
better we go
excitement.
in the town because I tell you some man already send me $2,000 and we could have go use it and buy something in the town for me heat. Yeah, make me walk up and down in the sun like me a menke.
Babes, I like excitement too much. Sometimes you have to walk and see Greenfield Hotel them. You can't love the excitement and the
Me see too
drama
much
too much.
Greenfield. If I go out and do me yard, me see Wally for Greenfield. You want me turn green too?
No, I like the Greenfield Hotel sporting us. You don't know that man.
I
Anyways,
like them lifestyle, you know.
much money you say you have?
What? You tell me say you don't want the money today. $2,000 my man give me. And send my sister go to school this week and to put things in the house. Come.
So, what happened to me, babes?
What you mean? My sister alone, me have, you know, my man I run my left her and me take care of her. You want us to drop out of school and she not the manners?
More 1,500 out of that, you get $500 for go to school.
So
The picnic don't want so much money for go to school. I mean, spending 1,500 per year when tell me I spend it for me and myself.
Yeah, man, come look like menke. Come
but
on.
with that, babes, so I'm here, man. Come see. Watch the
You're not
Greenfield
gonna
Hotel.
$500.
Be a town you want going in like Greenfield Hotel business.
Hold on, Jesus Christ. What is this?
Watch your sister, watch me.
Hold on. Where are the yard?
And my friend asked me to follow her go on the road.
Your friend asked her for what kind of look girl? Me not tell her say don't leave the yard. I hope you not going to my yard, you know.
Oh, me not going there, she come take me out of my yard.
Me not tell her left the yard.
But she come at my yard. Girl.
Oh, she come at the yard. My yard, I'm tell her so she not fi come.
Camera not there, they can't look funny enough.
Girl, now you come at yard and ask me can follow you go somewhere.
Yes, me did come here, but me not ask
Instead of excitement, I wish you chill with her and watch you.
How are you doing that? We are.
Go down in the yard. Look who girl. You have to go find your mama anywhere in there. You love man too much.
Babes.
Imagine, hello, stop it nice, you know. Imagine me I work so hard to send this little girl go to school and them come and look man. Where reach we around us so?
Babes, you idiot. Okay, now what can I take that you take up a liquor sister? You big old sluggy sister. What can I take that you take up a liquor?
I'm tapping don't piss me off. Some of you make you look a girl go take man.
You give me this and this, you fi juke him all line here with and sitting
Yeah,
until...
man can't want blind and can't like him.
Look here, babes. The pun is this here. You girl looks like a little piece of tick there.
Tapping, come on. Me I go down in the yard. Me I go down. Come watch me here, you little girl.
Yo.
Watch me here.
How your sister know you at Greenfield Hotel there?
How you know for Greenfield Hotel there?
I'm not just a sister, you know.
Me not trust you. Come on.
Come in, babes. You can't ask me about Greenfield Hotel. You know, say, I actually them place we tour more while.
She must tour too. She must tour too. Come on, go down.
Come see, man. Make a tourist through them place and go look for the weeds,
Alright,
them and
the tourists them bring.
Woodland
Watch
and
me look together. Can I love man?
how you say waste time, man? Come in, know what kind of tick that. It takes broke him up. And it's nice. Look at the place, just green and pretty and nice.
Top link.
I want a better hotel.
Come here. Come here now.
Sis Chin. Oh, go on.
Come here now.
Sister and our sister.
Sister, no sis Chin, same way. Babes, so you can't go on someone. Yeah, let's look at the
Anyways.
excitement.
Anyways. Can link up later. You give me the money.
Yo, babes, me are still about my style.
We style.
Hello, so
You
I'm
just
not
know
hear
this-
the conversation between your sister and us whisper.
It's a family reunion business, you know, say a family
Family
talk.
reunion on your yard. Hello, let me tell you something. So you see, me and my man I walk. You don't stop him. Wait till you see him down in your yard. You hear?
Babes, I'm going to go on some, I'm little sister here, you know.
Kinda. Go on, go. Go on. You don't see my man. Me tell you something. Stop.
Babes.
Stop call to my man. And you know when you lick your sister.
Calm down, no man, you can't deal with
Why
your sister, so man.
every time when me see your
Sister, watch that.
Now what's that?
Now watch that, man.
Look
Babes,
for me body too. Why every time when me and you walk,
Babes, stop,
your
stop, stop.
sister.
Stop touching me, this
you
dirty thing,
know,
man.
I have something to tell you.
I say, do you want me in a town, you go with my excitement, yeah?
You know, sir, me see your mother and me ask her, so she don't know about the sister there. So how? You know about your sister, but your mother don't know about your sister.
Different mother she have. Calm down, no man, I want you.
So why your
Dad.
sister, ever see me and you walk and I call you once? Oh, me not hear what your sister say.
What you talk about? A different mother she have.
Different
Calm
mother she
yourself, the
have.
man.
Different mother she have. I'ma tell you something. Come and even believe so your sister, you know.
Wait, wow.
The same time you go down on your yard and whoever you go see your sister, tell her say when she see me and you walk, don't call to you come you go lick you now in the face. Me feel like, why everybody are perplexed for brain today?
I'm to you. Calm yourself, the man. Take you on a tour and
Well, your sister around here, so you ask me my sister around here, so well, your sister around here so too.
So she always come page me and find me on the road to get something to eat or something. You know style, man.
So hold up. To eat. So
Yeah.
link. Hold on. I mean feed you, so who feed she?
Me and you. What you talking about?
We are dead. Hold on. Me and who feed her?
Babes, and me feed her.
So when you get money to feed her and me feed her, that me ask you.
I say me and for my boy down so I give me a little piece of butter more while and
So okay, so guess what? See how I'm today?
Yes,
Get
yes.
your dog
Call
down the side,
me
I'm
and
gonna feed you.
Talk about that, no, man.
No, I'm gonna feed you, cause I care my money. My man money me I take you, and you I take you shit.
Yo, I must say me and take care of you, so, you know.
And I'm nothing to do with me.
Calm your
Him
nerves,
soon
man.
fly down and him soon married me and I soon left you. Can you go take me feet? Listen to me
Him
now.
soon fly down. Him sitting cool up with ice, man. Not ready yet.
Backside! No, sir. No, man, come on, they won't be you. They
Jesus
won't be you.
Christ.
Girl, now you follow
They
this
won't be
And
you.
then
man.
me say,
They won't be you.
and she take me out tired.
Girl, you tell me say your father gone
And
a
you
rum bar.
take me out tired, girl.
Sir, me can't explain. Me can't explain.
Angel.
So as she take me
Sir,
out
me
her
can't
yard,
explain.
sir. You never tell me something in her yard, daddy.
Angel. Let me ask you a question. She lift you up out of yard?
No, she called me, say she want me follow her go somewhere.
Angel.
Don't tell no lie,
Girl,
Palmy.
and you take me out her
When
yard.
these people attack, don't spoke unless you're spoken to. Right?
Mm.
Don't open up your mouth.
Okay, sorry.
Angel.
Hmm?
And you me a chat, you're my blood. Half blood, because I'm not sure yet until me do DNA.
You say me favor you.
Why?
What me just say a while ago?
Sorry.
When adults are talking, you don't talk unless you're
And so she mix up and say that's why she take me out
Girl,
her yard.
listen
I
to me
know
now.
me not trouble. Girl, and you take me out her yard.
Yeah,
Understand
I
me
girl.
not?
can't take you out of your yard, you know.
We use the power back, and twist your face, Angel, let me ask you one more time. I lift you out of the yard.
No.
Yes or no?
No. She dragged me by me and I said she want me follow her
Hey,
somewhere.
girl.
Me did afraid because me don't know where she
Angel.
carry me
Hey,
going on.
girl.
If I did dead, she can't go dead. I say you that come out of the yard with that. Eh?
But nobody don't know when then time I go
Angel,
come.
5 multiplied by 5.
Me don't know.
See? We have different. 5 multiplied by 5.
25.
See? At least you're bright. But me not sure yet. 5 multiplied by 25.
Me no know. 35.
Angel,
Hmm?
see the type of kind of way you're walking? Somebody when I know 5 multiplied by 5.
But me know she don't know either.
I'm take me out her yard.
Girl,
If
me
you
tell
tell
you
me
this.
one more time, then take you out of the yard. I better me tell you up in the answers. I better me tell you up in the answers. Yes, a man is your problem.
Which man?
A man is your problem.
Oh,
Me
sorry,
don't
she
know
did
what
tell
you
us she have
talking about.
boyfriend. She got talk about me care out of yard. She have boyfriend.
She have man.
Have
Me
what?
can't enter me. She have man.
My sister come like she have a shock.
She have man.
Right now, what she with they run from? You know what she?
She have man. She have one big man. She.
You know what I'm saying? My daughter come.
See
What?
me.
And your daughter
Not my
got
company.
Get a
I
hold of your
fear bad
dog.
company.
Oh.
Open up your mouth again if you think you're bad. If you ever open up your mouth. When I done with your doctor, I recognize you. You hear? Make sure when we count to 3, you'll disappear. Because you'll get it. 1, 2, move. Move. I'm going to walk all up here.
So, as me left out a yard, you left out a yard?
You ever fear
No, you name rice pot a cook.
Girl, me have
As the rice wash you cook, as me gone, you gone.
me have to up my food, cause your brother not give me nothing. You know see me a man, brother?
You just say you a man him. You say you a idiot.
Who idiot?
You,
brother
cause
not
as
working.
much as all me little, me not have nothing. I not mind no man. Never.
I never go focus on have something.
Are you
At least
focused
me have
on having-
something and me and mine, your brother.
What you have?
Anything where you not
I
have.
sell, you sell. Me not sell.
You sure you not sell?
God never give me my kingdom for sell.
If you say so.
So where you go now? So you say you go hunt your food, you know, cause my brother not give you. So I must sell you go sell it. If you beach road, you walk go.
You not have a selfie hunt, ma'am.
So what you mean?
Listen,
Oh, you go
me
get
not in it with it.
Oh, you go
me
get
not in
it.
it with it.
No,
today,
oh,
'cause
you go
you
get
always
it.
a fear see me.
You have a work?
You not worry about that. You not worry about that.
You have a work?
You not worry about that.
Me not worry, me ask a question. Do you
Listen,
have a
one thing
work?
me have to say to you, when you see me, you not see me. Don't talk with you.
Just favor them steal cucumber. Yeah, me a make. Steal cucumber. Where you come from?
Me not tell you say you not see me when you see me.
Steal cucumber. Where you come
Me
from?
not tell you say you not see me when you see me.
Where you come from?
That's none of your business.
You say you go hustle. And the hustling when me know you go do open up them legs there.
I know
So
you're
give me
like,
some of my money where you get like you give me brother bun no?
I know for me I feel money.
So you give me brother some. You can't give
Let
me
us
some
see
to
me
keep my
business.
mouth.
You don't have to keep your mouth.
Some brother no say you give him bun.
No.
So what you do then?
You not just said. Me not working. Where else me could I get money from?
Man.
Okay.
So I bun that.
Like you not saying.
Oh, so you admit it, so you give me brother bun?
Yes.
With how much man?
One man girl.
Eh?
I could have much.
So you deal one man and how much money that thing give you?
$200 US.
One man give you $200 US.
Yes.
See my brother you come. See me I come. Stand up where you go. Steal cucumber.
What going on, sis? What
You
going on,
steal
babes?
cucumber, woman, I give you bun. So you go open up your leg for $200 US.
Hey, Warren, girl, what do you mean by you give me a drunk or dog shit? Hey, girl, what was that about? From first, he could in for my man, I'm saying, I could Warren, girl.
Me don't know what this say have up a yard, you know.
Yo.
Yes,
Hey,
when
hold
me
on,
come
what you
from
mean by?
foreign, you know if it
Where
be
you
You say but I want money.
Money.
You know but I want the money to go buy your special and your whatever you want buy.
Some money you use.
You know, say we two done to you.
Some papi show ya.
I don't know where
Something
I
else
listen to your
drunk
sister
from
about. She a give you money. She a give you money.
No, she not giving me sister.
Oh, she not give you money. You just, what is? Can you use it too?
Idiot girl,
Drunk
you give me
crow.
two of them
This,
fool.
the bad man, me for.
Me can't bad
This
mind
a
if you have
drunk crow.
money.
The woman a give
Can't
money,
bad
can't
mind
buy.
if you have money
What you
because
mean?
this me have. Me
So
can't
what
get
was
more
sell
than
it?
she get.
So
So
Me
you
not
tell me
sell.
too.
The whole point is me can't get more than what she a get. She a steal cucumber, me a fresh cucumber.
You sure about that?
Me sure.
babes.
You want to go for a test?
What do you mean by sell two?
No.
Like you not
She
understand.
said me a sell, so me a sell she a sell too.
I
Oh.
sell it, sell and
Oh,
get
bad
that
man, she
girl.
bad no.
do
She
Yes,
woman
a
a
bad man,
work.
she bad man.
Woman a work. Woman a work.
You
Yeah.
fool.
She have it up on her phone so she
You
she
come
work
like
at
a
home.
puss man.
Which post man?
The only thing left you do is put on a wig.
So bright.
You don't have no little sense. Money sweet you up.
Money
You're
sweet
batty
up.
man.
Oh, come here, babes. Come over here, sir.
Sure.
She does.
Come on.
up.
Bad man. You here?
You don't have no sense. No wonder why you get left-handed.
I'm drunk.
Could damn do what? You
Yes,
ill
come
and
on,
gully
bad
like
man,
up
bad man,
down,
yeah.
up down. And your foot shot and I want to fucking lunatic. At the streets, me go ferry. Mount a road where me cherry. Half sure I'm a park up here.
Yes. Look for you. Why you walking a wheel for your body and for your body not fit you?
You see me, Batty?
You can't see it from right round this one.
Alright. Me have some fear.
Me know wear this there.
So why you rank yourself with me?
Why don't you find that?
Why you rank yourself with me?
Get that out of my face.
Look up at me. Oh, who your father?
Papa and my father. And I'm making go serious.
Me have something for you?
Yeah, if you ever know.
No, me have something for you. Cause you talk like say something there for me for you. Rank yourself with me again.
You don't look good.
You know,
them look good. Stop it. You don't know one of them look good. Don't face yourself with me, cause me ain't a size. Hold this. Come in and know where you getting from. Daddy, you know see girl I beat me up. Go and go to sit on now.
Backside. Wallace. We never see.
I lick him and tell me to lick you more. Rank yourself now. Rank yourself.
You see how wicked father, me I forgot the one.
When me rush up the hill, where did you go?
Where did you go?
Where did you go?
Up a yard, but me boring again.
Where
I
did
do me
you
a
go?
look for. Yeah.
Me last.
Yeah.
Am I a child?
No, but me the hungry again. Me
Me a what?
Me father.
Need what?
Me father.
Am I a man or a boy?
A boy. A joke.
Me tell me, we thump off your head. You know? We thump off your head. Am I a man or a boy?
Man.
Okay. Have manners. Where she does do a while ago?
Me a working on my own business. Little girl, your body don't fit you.
Your body don't fit you?
Yes. No, I know me sister, so you know daddy.
How?
I know me
I mean, you call me like a little girl.
You thump at just a lago.
I like you call me and I thump a punk.
No worry your head. You have plenty more if you get when you go over yard.
So
you
we
think I done?
You know it all. How you know business and can't control your butterfly?
And the mama send the dog, so you know. If I
So we are trying to say the mother have the problem?
Remember, Kaka years. The mama dance palm pole.
And she look like she will go palm bridge. Control the pitney and come out of people business.
Why are you? I'm going to block up your blood.
Girl, you see any man you go take, you go and go take them. And please don't come back to me yard, come carry me out of me yard. Because see me follow you, me not even know where you go carry me go other day. And you tell lie pa me. You make me sister feel like me have man or something. Me don't even like her man, you know, and me don't like her man that talk to me, you know, girl. So anytime you go know where you go on, and me, no one, no more friend from people like you, because you don't have, you're a fake friend. Because if you're a real friend, you would do there something there. You're fake. Real friend don't feel like.
Okay. Hold on. So you turn big man here, he talk to man pan phone.
No, girl, I'm a friend.
You turn big man here, talk to man pan phone.
No,
under my roof.
I want girl me a talk to.
I want girl here
Yes.
talk to. Alright, guess what now?
She name Angel.
No, you not have to
No,
you not have to explain now, darling. Yes, today I make up my mind. From last night, you know, me wait pan me to me I say the whole smile me have left, but guess what? Me tired. You go pack up your little belongings them and
Where we go?
Shut up your mouth. Come in over for lick you. You go pack up your little big belongings them and you go up for your father.
You can't send me back up there, so girl.
Yeah, go up your walking
I'm not
super.
going up there.
Girl, listen to me now. I'm not talking with you. Come now,
go up there.
Wait a minute, you not go up where?
Nah, go up there.
Just come now, girl.
You want to tell me why you have the money, I take my man. Man, when I want you. Eh? You can't have little sense. You know, say boy, no want you. Your money, boy, want.
Are your money?
Me not
I feel
business.
with money. Come get up.
So we
Get
get
up,
the
cause
money.
you're not as a mother. You feel like me and your size. Your mother take care of you?
Girl,
Your mother take care. Come out of my house. I'm
girl,
take care
listen to me now.
Go on out of my house. Say that I'm behavior.
Yeah, man. You know what?
And from today, you can't stay in here. Cause the girl when I'm the mother's stomach not stay underneath my roof. Oh, Tada.
Come here. Alright. Me no want you to follow them. Them bad.
Nah, follow them.
Make sure you see, me give you a chance to put on tattoo and boy neighbor boy nose and something and put on braces and something. Want to make me proud, want to make them shame.
Yeah, me make you proud, man.
Alright, make sure. Me not to be like them.
Nah, be like them.
For real, I be like them. Realize I always stay by myself.
But them are enough up in you. I try for
Ditch your friend them,
yeah, but me like that. So just keep on do that because them have bad character.
Company.
Yes, them have bad character. So want to be the good one.
Yeah, me make a proud of me.
Because them have bad character.
Me know, because I'm not really par with them.
And I realize that. I love that.
What bad? Who bad?
You come here, Sofa.
So what kind of private conversation?
Yes, my daughter have a conversation. You come out here, for.
So you can't make me hear.
Come out of my business and go on inside. With
So
you for your question me. Go on in the house.
You tell daddy.
You know, go on.
You're such a rank.
Red bad.
Feel like you're not a size.
Anyways, go and go shop for me, yeah.
Okay.
Buy 2 pounds of rice and 1 mackerel.
Okay. If you feel for mackerel.
I mean, I have no money to buy no else. So.
How's this? Hello?
Hello.
How you go?
Oh, so me had me a go do. Yeah, how you?
Shop me say me a go in and me see you walk. You look lonely though.
Yeah, me kinda lonely and look out ice. I look up plant chips and Pepsi me I get for lunch.
Around here live?
Up here top this one, man.
Oh, up there me live too, you know.
Hello, yeah, tell me.
Right, I look house down this.
You know, so me always fast, but show me not chat to people.
I'm not chat to people either.
So you just stop me and chat to me, sir.
Cause you look like somebody would I like.
You don't like me?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, yeah, tell me. I don't believe you.
Cause you say man around us, they're not really attractive.
Well, you're right, but that's still me attractive.
Yeah, cause you're nice and thing. So you would want to know you. You have woman?
You know, so I'm not a woman though, but God no be it's on hot. Me can't give me number, you just text me.
Alright, me take your number.
3826111, man. Do,
Alright.
my love chat to you still, and I feel like I run me
around. I go call you cause I shop me I go for my mother.
Alright.
So we link here?
Can I back something for me too, yeah?
Alright, later.
Alright.
No, so them shop here man, them people can't stay in that shop. How are you there, sir? I think you're going over.
You know, so I go up, my day I go up. Sit down now. But I show me feel like I did run here a while ago and me I said just take me number and set my name and you feel like my name and chat to you. I show Sunday the hot me man. I can't
Sunday that for real still, but anyways, after me go shop, come like the people them gone, go use bathroom. I don't know, because they're not down there. My mother said me to go buy a mackerel. Alright.
You know, so me a mackerel up on my head, I can't get one. You not go a stranger place.
No, I'm not go stranger. My mother wouldn't like that.
But me a no stranger, you know, well, you know, me
I don't know you as that. So, when we get to know each other, then no.
Alright, no problem. So we are going to know like how you know no mackerel and rice.
Me I go up and tell mommy say, me shop black.
So you know, and tell mommy say your boyfriend have a mackerel up there when you want to go.
Me can't tell mother that. She go kill me.
If you have a boyfriend, well, yeah, tell her.
Yes, me can't go tell her that.
Boy. So me have to go talk and that quiet then?
Yeah.
Oh. But yeah, my girlfriend now.
Yeah, just we have to go work on it. So as me say, me have your number, me I go text you.
Sound like you want to be my girlfriend, man. Think about it when you want to go. Are you me there wait for
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
What you about, bro?
What pray me go?
Yeah, man, Parental go on easy, man.
Now stop me I come from there, I buy a bar and chips. I want Pepsi, boy, Pepsi done. And girls, me and big out it.
Bro. What you say, David?
Different styles, my dog. You know, I look a brownie who live a hilltop there, so I look a greenhouse.
Look a brown in there.
You might get tell me saying you want to feature me or something, dog. I tell me saying you like half you look. But me ain't know say he rate me there way there. I look like
boy, I wrong man, girl, tell you I did my father. Better you left him alone, you know.
What make it so?
I worse man that man.
What make it so?
The man is a mad man, you know, man. When I like people talk to him that too much to my father, man.
My bro, in a high school, a mackerel thing they call me, you know. Because me sharp. Me no pad man girl, me no pad man daughter unless they underage.
Boy, no, you work out the part there, you know.
She said she want to feature me still, my bro, so and like at me intentionally. But you might tell me say, you have to go there and look quiet, you know, cause
you know your father, see, you know your father.
My mother, you might tell me, boy, he look like he afraid to mention his father.
You know Papa, man?
Papa?
Papa and father.
Yeah, you mean Papa and father?
But it no matter. I could have Papa. The sailor man or Papa with the nose long like Pinocchio. It no matter who my father.
Boy.
Me and son-in-law. Better know that you know I feel like it.
Tobando, what boy, you feel if you're not listening, you know?
Boy, I know about that, you know, me, bro. But, no, I'm all free still. So, what you definitely an idea like a this, yeah, tell her.
Right now, I can't lift clutch right now before pass on see me, so you know, cause boy, you're not here.
Yeah, talk about Papa like him is this great man.
But Papa, you're a madman, no, my father.
Yeah, like this great man or him a Satan. You know, say I want David and man, I'm
you must
bro.
know.
So you're watching on a job.
Mummy! Where you come from? As long as you take for go buy pound of rice and one mackerel, mama. He's not mama, they don't question me. Mummy! Oi! What are the people in business? Come on. Come in. Me a come in for. Look how long she sent gas shop and she just a come back. You know what's happening? You look a bit bad. You know what happened? I want more so. She gonna talk about look how long me take. Not even explain myself. The shop is closed. I'm go down the road, go look if no more shop today. I'm not see no more shop, so I'm come up back.
Yeah, mother, what you question him for? You might be the same father, but no question him, I know you're pitting. Don't do that. Too hot harder. Your boy can't do a big woman.
That boy like big woman, look on him kin.
Let him alone, leave her alone. And me tell her, me make she do what she want to do, because she's a good girl. You know, stick with her bad. Two of them. I'm not going to innocent. And if I'm a one, yeah.
You realize I'm not saying nothing to you for a man?
You can't say nothing to me, little girl, because you look up I'm not going to argue with you. You go about your business.
Them a fed out now, so them big.
So I'm grind down your place.
I hear that I move with the girl in place, because she have a tattoo and pierce up for her body. You don't see me have a tattoo and pierce up her body.
Because you up in her front.
So what have to do with
but
you?
But you talk say we bad.
That not have to do with bad.
Lady,
that not have to do with bad.
Action with you.
Exactly.
Do your own no go on.
So she a talk.
So how you go on? Me not go like how you go on.
Mama.
You no sneaking.
Who's sneaking?
You no especially she out there so. That one.
When them spoil them daughter.
Mama to the business.
When daddy come start out it, man.
Man, them a go make them go on.
Watch him. Him a ringleader.
The one night pink tights.
Yes.
One yeah. Kill them no mind.
My dad, we are permanent at war. Let me talk. Come on, man. Sure, you see, lady over there, some ignorant.
You living here?
You living here, what?
I'm just new, so I want to know how to get certain clothes from me.
Oh, well, you have a shop right there, so that's a John shop, and you have Miss Jerry shop down the road, and then you have the little all thinking man shop in steel bread down there, so.
Excuse me. No, Mama, you not do that.
Ask her one day.
Mama, you just come in here with no two new, I mean no two trust people. I know she trust people so quick to talk about Jan and all about the place. But anyways, girl, you look nice and all of that. And you know we can be friends, man. We can, you know.
Alright, so I'm buy with something. My name Alia.
You buy with something?
Yeah.
So you just want to buy with something, so me not want to fight me, you know.
So no trust nobody.
No, Mama, I trust if I see you.
You don't really want to buy me not right now. I'm belly full. My sister belly full.
No, my belly not full.
Oh, Mama, I'm buy with 2 juice.
Yeah, 5 bag juice. You alright?
Yeah, man, the good.
Where you come from?
Far.
Okay, what's the balance?
Where you come from? Oh, you wanna come from? Wait until the father come. You don't have manners, especially that the one you're gone in for. Like my take 10 man one time. No manners you no got.
I told my father here that's why I'm gonna take him.
You hear them bride this, wait until him come.
Come on, be the stars. Jesus. Oh, my sister. Yeah. Oh, my sister. Oh, God. Is that good?
Great, man.
You know that mother come over here, you mean by, remember me approach you first?
Yeah, but when I say you're a woman, you say, no, we think.
No, I said never think about it, man.
So you think about it now?
Yeah, but they know.
So I have to hide, what make me I can public and make your people know?
No, too soon. When I reach them, furthermore in our relationship.
Alright, no problem. So I go over there place and see no TV in your room and no Wi-Fi, what we have to do?
You can do anything you want. It's up to you.
Anything you want. So, this about look nice though.
Yeah, your room always have the nice look.
You can't take off and get a shower.
No. Me not really want to take off my clothes at this time.
So you want to do?
No, Charlie. Shan! Girl! Right. What? What? Mr. Girl, I was still up to tell you. Oh, Jesus Christ.
So what you gonna say?
Jesus Christ, girl.
Come here.
Wait, give one Peter some. Sit down. Jesus.
I want to.
No, I want to go joke with you next day.
Yeah.
No, so why you come so fast?
But they gone nowhere.
No, because when I come in, I'm not see so I wonder where you're gone.
Me did in the front room.
Oh, how you do?
When I watch something about my phone, me charge and me want to borrow that me come back.
Oh.
So you can't move so.
Oh, I look for sitting a while ago. I'm say me I try surprise, but it feel.
You feel? Oh.
Yes, me I clean up room and everything.
I first me say yeah clean up room so me don't know.
You mean by stop make everything look
no, you clean up room yes no but no all the while.
I always clean up the room.
And let's try to come like say now. You know good.
Right now the place boring,
It's boring for you coming understand why you want to lock up around and so who can never come on this one?
No, brother, remember me just go somewhere and me just come back. So me I want me I say, hey, come and see Kayla.
What for you? When you live out of the yard, who never hear when you come in?
Remember the door open. The door is already open.
But now me that walk come in and drop your dirty one. What did I drop my water? Just come in. You're sick. Want some water?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Shut up now, okay? Shut up, I'm come for what you know.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
How are you?
Who are you?
Where you come from?
I come from where? How are you?
Over where? Me I talk to you where you come
I
from.
have time to you. Oh, where some I come
Which
from?
one are you them?
The big yard.
That one there?
Yeah, I want.
Make sure never me there come from, you know.
Where is it?
At the board house, and I see the board house with big AC. Me live in now.
Well, from here now in your house. So what?
Make sure not over me there come from. You see, if over me there come from, I go set my father upon you. Move from now.
I mean, if you know where you come and ask me where I come from, like me owe you something.
Sister girl, me have news to tell you. I know you're ready for that one, yeah. Keisha over there give man bun. And guess how we give man bun too?
Who?
We don't little boy that can even reach 920 yet.
I like that.
Me say, me see the boy run out of the yard. I'm asking where I come from. Me say, over there.
Yo.
What a little pin here.
Why you so mixed up? Oh, you so mixed up. You are turning back at you, me. Why you so mixed up?
I mean,
That means if Jerry want.
listen to me. Listen to me, little girl. Your mother not there here right now. So shut your mouth and keep it cool. And I make me have to slap you.
Mama.
You hear me say? Go back in the house. Nobody not talk to you.
Go back in the house, yeah, mama. Turn up. I want me to say something to you about that. You see? Come out of people business can be a little quick, but watch out now. Man and gland, when me out here.
Wait till me come.
Wait till me come. Your mother can't put her hand on me. Coming off the
I
cooler.
just say no. Me not even go touch your arm. Argue.
Go in the house and don't argue with me. From here start underneath you, you start ranking at this, you know.
Mama.
And I might pay this.
Mama, tell me and your sister going.
Tell me now I hear nothing from you. Can you see you? You're coward.
Wait till your mother come here, go see who are coming.
Your mother?
Yes, wait till she come here, go see who are
Me
coming.
put them out too. And daddy me put them out.
Alright, this is true, me know me know.
Where you go?
Mama, me a go road.
Where you go go do?
Oh, me can go. Where do you go road go do?
Later.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. We can get a minute of your time, please.
Come on.
Come on, man. I'll sit in your right so.
Are you want to talk to me?
Oh, give me a minute, please. Beg me up, beg you.
Where's me?
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Taylor.
Nice to meet you, Kayla. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Where you from?
Up the road.
Up the road.
Mm-hmm.
Which part of the road?
Over Peter yard.
Hello, name, sir.
You know my father, Papa?
What am I in the yard?
Papa, your father?
Mm-hmm.
So I never see it.
Come in to come and do work, I know ramp. He mad.
So me always hear people and say. So how you there road now?
Come on, breeze out, man. Stretch my long legs there, me then get longer.
I throw on there long for sure. You come here and look up palm tree. So where you heading to?
Found out my friend there, me and me think me I go. Me don't know anywhere my food put me go.
Oh, well, me not tell no lie, so I like it, yeah.
Me know where you like it.
Come and say how I like it.
Because all of my man good for is sober roadside. And look for man. And they just want jump in them drawers. And no man now can't look me and jump in my drawers.
But first thing you said that all man good for stand up a roadside. Me not there roadside. Me under one roof.
Are yours?
No, me never say
alright,
that. Me
still
never.
Roadside, lady.
How am I for there roadside? If rain
Still road, so.
But that I said.
No.
But alright.
Alright,
so me no, as you say, just look here and play something there. But me want to get to know you, Kayla. Because you're attractive and something.
Sometimes I want to get to know myself. Me know why you know me. Because my father is a madman. Anyhow, my father ever knows me and you thump on the road, yes, so.
No, me I tell you so we not there.
I hear about it 2 away.
Hear we 2 away. So
yes.
What your father will do?
The pronounce me after when we reach home.
But you don't turn up early. That means you have...
Kind of there right now, in the pan the road and you're gonna work.
That means you can't turn up some more and chat then. Come look a bit closer, man.
Don't touch me, man. You make people see. That little man you want to come don't touch my body. Don't touch up my body.
Alright.
Yes, what you say?
Me I say you can't come look closer, man. So like for your father.
That is from that.
Yeah, I say, what they say, shot them, man. I just want me there do woodwork and something, man.
Anyways, what that's no.
Gone. Me I tell you, you can't fall a little closer, man. Like how your father is gone at work and you know me and me know you. And now we are friends. We are friends, that's all.
Yeah, how much?
Yeah, how much? Now your age.
What is my age? You're 19, whatever. What how much?
You're 19.
No, I'm 19.
So you say you're 19?
No, I'm not 19. Me ask you if you're 19. Never say me are 19. Me ask you your age. What is your age? They don't have an age.
Me ain't gonna see your age.
Me would never be same age.
So you how much then? You're going like me and I said age.
I could pick me at 18.
Sorry, me I do 17.
You're 17? Yeah, little boy, you want to call me a little boy? No, nobody.
Yeah, I'm something. Yeah. So, alright. So, then I have to look at them. But me I can't be friends, not sure.
Yeah, man. But me can no long talk to look at me door with my father.
Alright. Cut the canvas shot. Me can't get a number then. And we can't
next time we say get me number. Me can't get no number right.
Alright, take my number then. No.
Took me don't give your number, you hear me say?
Take my number.
No, when me take your number, me reach, when me to me hand, you're texting. I don't want no man. Listen to me. Education is the key. You see, no big man, I don't go sir. It's stop on roadside, and look people girl pick me.
No.
Yes.
No.
And that's all I don't go for. Look people girl pick me and take people girl pick. Idiots.
Take the number.
No, I mean, nah, make no man take me for no idiot.
Alright, what about Instagram? You got Instagram now?
No, I don't use Instagram, I don't use WhatsApp, I don't use nothing. Right, cause education is the key. If me think they can't be something good, they tell me something what makes sense. Me think you tell me. But you're not telling me nothing sense.
Alright, Kayla. Me no want bother.
You just talk. You have work?
Yeah.
You get mad and feed woman you're on the road looking woman?
But me never tell you something I look at. Me just tell you something I want to get to know you.
I don't, once you want to get to know me, I look you, me know say I look me. I mean, don't look me. Cause you go on like say, you know smart, you don't smart, you on the roadside want to look people, girl pick me, and you look me now, they can't gonna abandon the house, go do things. And then you hear me name all over the neighborhood. No.
Sweetheart.
Yeah, near me.
I would never.
You're lucky.
Okay, alright, I'll see you again. So, boy, you feel like a getaway?
Sean. Yeah. I'm going to go here. Oh, where you go? You don't do it, man. I'm going to get some stuff for you. So, alright, be safe. Hello. Right. You don't see a step in there. I don't feel like you want to know where you go to. You don't see it?
You're lucky I'm out. Anyways, I don't watch your plate the man cook.
You want to push your plate
down? I'm not
there. Out where you go?
You don't even know me, I go little girl.
You will dress up too. Where you go?
No worry yourself. Just do what myself with you.
No, you're right. Tell her that.
But she come back home, say play them wash, and Sean get something to eat.
Sean not get nothing yam.
You don't talk.
Play hard to get on your car in the area.
Everything is fine. Sit up. Feel good?
I'm good, man. You good?
I miss you, you know?
You miss me?
Yes, I'll do a one day, I never see you for, but I miss you.
You did miss me too.
If I miss you, then make yourself available for see me.
I ain't sure where the pan.
When you want me the pan?
You have to invite him, but say, I can't say, hey, can I come over? And but say, always I say, oh, my dad's a bad man and all them type of stuff.
Daddy got work. You can call me phone, and I say, never phone.
You don't want to call on one of your father or something like that.
No, nobody answer my phone. My father not so mad.
But you know for that. So you call me by your phone.
Come over here. Come that?
Come now.
Work out daddy bed.
Work out daddy bed. So I can eat all cookies.
Alright.
No. You can do more now too.
Y'all! Mr. Me has to tell your mama.
Mama. So why you can't come in?
Somebody has to come here. Yeah, look at that bed bottom.
One day meet the bed bottom.
Come on.
Where Ann stay?
Oh. You got good girl.
You know something like how you have from morning.
No from morning.
How weird. Anyways.
Yeah, guess what? I believe you know. So. You know no say. Me see the boy we talk about forever they go over the woman yard.
Yeah, that's cheap.
Yes. While I go me they come see the boy run like a lightning. Pass me zoop.
Well, I'm phone. I come in for plug in and come back up in early business about that. As you did say, we are like a picnic come out of big people business.
Alright.
You go shit.
Alright, don't bug your toilet like we do yesterday. Father.
Yeah, me there, man, but me as a like joke, more can't see you more often. Me not like after meet up in some local strange location.
But, I don't know if you can tell us, because I don't know things that I do.
Me understand, but still, you know. I like me a complain, because I'm glad she can see it just the same, but...
Right, at least you see me. Some woman that you see them, man. I'm glad me I see you say that. I know me head happen. I don't know if I guess not have her, so.
She eat from morning?
Yeah, me eat in the morning, yes. We drink or cook food.
I don't know then, babes. You can't eat 3 green leaf and sit. One of them must fix her.
Me I go not about green leaf.
Oh, yes, but we feel uneasy and something like that. Me normal though. I when bees thing just rub it on me. I mean,
that a bees. When bees are what's bad, you know, if rub it green, it 3 different type of grass so it stink can't come out.
No, still. So, maybe I forget some pill. Maybe
would I be eating?
Maybe I just want to go and go lie down then.
Alright, bees.
Alright, thank you, Mom.
It feels so good though.
It smells nice too. I can't go out then.
You are going so quick.
I'll go quick, but I don't want to leave you alone. I don't want to leave you sitting there.
Why?
I don't want to leave you. You head out here.
No, your company me need. My head kind of wet since I pick my up here. You know, your body cool it down there.
I call one man and show me how to lose this time. You flare up in your nose and kill you. But, yes, I know this about me. Have to do it.
Alright.
Have to.
Later.
Come on, eh? Yeah. Alright.
Yes, sir. Come to my yard right because I can't use water. Man.
Get up.
What's wrong with it?
Betty, get it.
Good.
Anti nothing.
No.
I should have this me have found the road for
No,
butter
your
you.
mother.
With what? See me not see you with my man Davy.
No, someone off video.
And my man that. I'm going to catch me my bar
road. I never ball off your head. Just hard time from ball off your head.
Ball off your head?
Hard time, mate.
Hold on. No, you're ball off your head. Hold on.
No, someone off you do that, girl. I swear to God, someone off you do you. Ed! Ed!
Your mouth not hurt you?
No. No, come out of this. I'm not even no junk. Come tell me if this far. I don't want that dirty nasty food. You're poisoning me.
I'm not telling you. Come.
You don't want your food. I don't want your food.
Man you want? Man you want to get?
God?
You want food?
No.
Ball again, let me box off your head. Ball again. Shut up. I for ball. Nobody not hero.
Nobody's junk.
Up on the hilltop with them, mama. You don't realize over there? Up at Peter old house. Where Peter and that try to do it and it not work.
I have to come out of this place, I know.
Anyway,
by the hook or the cook. I go come out of your son.
I'm a man, me I go look for, but me say me I come get some food. You want food?
I don't want your food.
Alright then.
Box it all.
You know what? I will eat it. If you look and say me I can food come give you. We really do with me, man. Oh, that to me is at the time. When me come in at the house and you run me out and hide me. I am there in there?
Me don't know. Don't ask me nothing.
Oh, you
I
love
come out of this.
Alright. Tomorrow, I see you. Get some spaghetti for you. Wait, me forget something. It's all you have to take off in this time. When you love someone, the way I love the boy, I have to tie you up. Can you make you take him from me? When you love someone, give me my phone, I go eat it. You're lucky. When you love someone. He come again, enough makes me stand by here, mom. Wake up. See that? That's water. It's been 2 days now since you done bed. The nasty man. Anyways.
You know, they come like they set upon me. What?
This man, you know the thing about it, all your mother look fair now. Me tell them, girl, you don't want to know me a ball.
You know,
and voila. We get what?
Me that tell me I have to come out here. And the same time I come out here, they make them know you. I'm going to go to prison.
Mama, every day, daddy they worry like say you're relevant. Huh? And then bring some water for you. If you chew me can't cook, me teeth out the spaghetti.
No fry you. No, I'm not fry you. Right. Because I have to come out by the
yeah, because if you chew me can't cook, you eat it raw. Open up, mama, open up.
You don't want them raw.
Why you don't them
raw? Nemo the fish. Why you don't them raw?
It's not Nemo. Whoa, Lord Jesus!
Why you not me raw?
You're full of tough chat. You're full of tough chat.
If God say this, me have on this, you know. Hey, me use a stone and bust your face, yeah?
Boy, you want man. Man, I don't even waste my spaghetti for you.
No. So you tell me,
man, you want? Yes! Man, you love too much man!
Yo, and then you fling me around. Alright. Remember, no, karma is a bee, you know. Karma is a bee. We're not going to call a bee birthday.
Come up, man. Drink some water.
No water, man.
You never see me take you and dash in your yaya.
God.
Come.
No water! You know what? Come on. We don't want to take
Come on. Spaghetti pool.
Come on.
Man, look if you eat spaghetti.
Yeah, so if it, I see if it have it.
Don't play it. Yeah, laugh with me. You know to sing about it too? I am the one here. I'm laugh with you. And you're the one to your opinion. You're blind in Papa for.
Come on.
Look.
I'll tell me they want a good
Look here.
people.
Idiot.
Oh my God. Me I beg you please, I know one day me shall come out of this year. And the way me I go deep, me I go butter. Just wait.
Okay, we need to go meet your brother-in-law.
You finally settled down, Mrs.
Yeah, girl. Then me must have to settle down.
Me have a fear full time now.
Yeah. See him there.
Him
Cut
this.
up the store. Yeah. Babes. See your sister-in-law here. Thais, TV.
Nice. Pagwana good.
Yeah, man, nice to meet you.
Where you come from?
Be where you mean by saying
Country
where
me
you
come from.
Country.
Yeah.
Where that have to do with the where you come
What you
from.
mean about that have to do?
So where's so much information for babes?
But I just want to know.
So when you come
You
here?
come here yesterday.
Oh.
So babes, you're up on the roadside and do a smoke.
Just there easy but man.
That me not like with
Well,
as
I look
man.
like a jacket man, or you black or you brown and she black.
Different father. You ever come with something?
I say funny.
Bad clown. So be you pray.
They are money I deal with.
Nothing. They are hungry.
Hungry.
They say they love how me settle down. They
Be
never
a
believe
man
in
full
me.
time now.
They never believe in me, so I could have settled down.
A good thing that man.
Yeah. So
So you don't know
me
what.
hungry.
You're hungry too? Your
Yeah,
sister
man.
hungry?
Then if me hungry. Then if me hungry, she no more hungry.
So no one will get something to eat, one want to eat.
So you could cook something.
Like what?
Anything. Mackerel and rice, anything or fast. You see you ever want come and me at Konya, man, me never can get food from here yet though.
Yeah, we are going to do. We are going to go cook some food.
You sure she a cheater right now? Yeah, man.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, girl. So,
Just
you see me tell you, say a good boy.
Yeah, I'm treat her right. I'm happy to see you second
Don't
down.
wash up the plate, man. Thing.
Yeah, babes, the food nice,
How
no?
was the food?
It's nice.
Sure, I love
Mackerel
it.
and rice, nice, yeah. Nice. You know, say you're ungrateful.
I'm not ungrateful, sister, just the truth.
What should I say, salt?
Say food, salt, and the rice.
No
tough.
offense. Name me if you offending or no offense.
Big chef. Yeah, look
No, man, right, it's salt with you. And tough.
But I can never go look something else eat them.
I can't see me, do you want to?
So I can never go and go buy KFC, girl. You like me, that you don't know any limit. You don't have no conscience.
Man over me?
You know this, my man. Him never this you. Are you
You
first?
just know him and you know me all your life, girl. I can't do that.
A joke thing this, brother. God, no. Me sorry.
No offense, and I'm sorry. But I just
This a girl I can't serious.
Where you get
Yeah,
this
and
assistant
serious
from?
body, no?
I truth.
Girl, better you go on.
Where you get this assistant from?
Better you go on. Come, better you
That's
go
why I
on.
don't like
No, you
tell
know
people
what?
it's true.
I get dark and corrupt. Yo,
So babe, say
take him
all
out
of
of
this.
me. Take him out of
So
me.
be you all of
Say
this.
around me now.
Me not like, take him out of me.
You not like him?
Me not take him out of me.
Come carry me home.
Bring him home.
Follow me go.
Follow him good. Me not like him.
You see, you're too enough. Come out and play
I
hard.
just the truth, you know.
Come out and play hard, man.
I mean,
Why you do that there for?
I never make me.
So where that for?
Sorry, man.
Come. Yes. Sister, which one this?
Me don't know him.
Look like he have money.
He look so yes, like him
Watch out.
exercise.
Watch.
Yeah.
Watch. I want mad man this.
No, I like he have money. I say some mad people them
Watch
gone.
What's up, ladies?
Nothing. Good morning.
You all good?
Yeah, we good.
You look rich.
Huh?
You have
look
money.
rich.
Money?
You have money, you look man. Go one side.
No, woman, but me have money.
Man just
Money
say
is no
hi, but
problem to
he
me.
rich.
Oh, you have money.
We are born in California, but
I
I'm in
like.
Jamaica for 6 months now. Oh no, hold on, when it come on to touching my body.
You see me with man, girl?
Oh, who that chocolate girl around about there?
Hey! A baby this. I'm a little sister.
Oh, you look like Oreo, dude. And teeth white and it's black out.
You love man? Let me carry a road for. So.
So anyway, where you from? Where you from around here?
Up the road, sir.
Up the road?
I come from my mother, but I live up there, sir.
Oh, brilliant girl.
Yeah.
So, you single?
Me? Then me could really have relationship in this time, I'm single.
Woman like what I like, cause me like when I spend my dollars.
I ain't afford about nobody else. No, really.
Eh? True?
Yeah.
Alright, so you take my number and you add me on WhatsApp.
No, I couldn't phone. Me can't give you mine.
No, let me tell you my California number, you call me.
Me say, me no walk with my phone, I can give you mine.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
There's plenty more where this fun come from, you know. I know the one.
My name is Sean.
Okay, Sean.
Yeah.
Nice name with a ring to it.
Yeah.
Alright, don't take care, ladies. I'll take you guys out for breakfast or lunch or dinner. Any one of them, just let me know. And
All
I will
three.
have that done.
All three, you are.
All who?
All three.
No problem. The money is there, fully load, but you're looking nice still.
Thank you.
And I like you. You look nice. You look like it here is very expensive.
Yeah, how many else to my clothes?
Your clothes. So how much you pay for it?
That you don't worry about that. When the time for your pay feet, you know.
Okay, no problem. I call me in the morning, so
you have my number, you have to text me
I
and
call
come.
in the morning. You see, your beauty does control my mind. I can't remember anything, you know. I call you. I like that. And your sister is so gorgeous too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Focus by me, not she.
Oh, I'm focused.
Yeah.
Same mother, same father?
No.
Oh, you're
Same mother, but different father.
Oh, different father?
Yeah.
Oh, your mother have a touch. Alright, so I'll see you girls tomorrow.
You want a hug?
No, I'm good. I'm sweaty. I'm exercising. So
Okay.
keep chat along.
Alright.
Okay. Chat along. Chat along. Okay, bye.
Bye. Yeah. See you. With what? Where I come, bo? Then I go on. See you? You don't have no limit.
No, tell your man, be true.
Tell which man? Yes, you give me man?
You know, just a come from your man.
Hey, girl, shut your mouth.
You tell him man, say, no man.
Hey, not even out your mouth. Me a bigger one. Me take any amount of man me want take. You know want take me man too. You chat too much. That video.
Me with a single could have
Rascal, Kupandi this a mix up one ya.
I wish I come for a toothbrush in a month.
I walk a list of people business par road.
I'm not brushing teeth.
Motel TV.
Motel him?
Yes.
Jesus Christ. We are going to tell him, sir.
My business with TV. And you're too enough. You're going to start stay home. I'm serious about it, you know.
Me not have to come back up here yard.
Nah, can't go nowhere again. You love man too much, you want little girl. I say your friend the jump.
Me not have to come back.
Watch him. Make sure say you don't come back.
Nah, come back.
Make sure say you don't come back.
I mean, what tell TB?
Then you go tell TB. I don't know if you find TB, girl.
What tell him?
Go on.
What? No say. I wake up to brush my teeth and water gone. It's like a God make water gone in my yard.
Probably soon come back, man.
Me not want to come back yet.
Why?
Guess who me see on the road?
Who?
Your woman.
My woman.
Yes, your woman. A cost over man.
You're
Which
mad, man.
who want the man from who don't want him?
You're not see good, man. You just left us man and sister.
One little black girl. Me say me see them down the road and she dey cuss the black girl and say if you could make me get the man. I cannot hear.
Which part?
Right then I lay mouth.
You sure you see good?
You like good. Me we are good. If me know we are good, that mean we are good. 4 finger that.
How a man look?
A man, me never see man. Me just still walk past and hear them a cuss. But who did want the man from who never want the man and who have them man from who not have them man?
Probably I them a cuss over, man.
Me not think of you.
I mean, man, I them a cuss
so
over.
So sister want you?
Me no know enough.
Me not think of you. Because the man them a cuss but the sister want. You know no sense. Anyways, that's why I want me come back for brush my teeth. Because me they tell you say, the girl that done the road a cuss over man. And you gonna say I must you them attack. But if I did you would have feel like that on the side of cuss.
Anyways, look how much shop your pass you come here. You couldn't buy one bottle of water.
Give me money, I'm gonna buy a bottle of water. Because the news me can't come get a charge me a charge. Money.
So where have man for?
Who tell us me have man? I don't live with a man, I don't have a man. That's why I don't know what I mean.
What you look for brush your teeth or mix up your comfy?
Me comfy mix up and collect water.
You know, come out of me, yard. Come on, come
So you don't believe me?
Come out of me, yard, and come and chat about the woman.
I want your woman breathe on you, see. I want him breathe on you and give you jacket, you. I want you get a jacket.
My woman, and me, my woman, I cuss over.
You have money for your woman cuss over you? Every day then you want polar slides. Go on, yeah.
Go about the business. Bright thing, come on, come chat about my. Go and go wash your dirty mouth. Bright thing. Come on, chat about my woman.
No, boss.
Yeah, man, where you come from?
No, so one bike me go fix up, dog. Try to get a piece of bike. I just clear down pocket same way.
Yeah, you fix bike, man.
I mean.
No, sir, you should have pull up look earlier, do dog.
So, but what you go and do?
My sister, my woman sister come a while ago, you know.
Woman sister?
Yeah, the two of them too. My woman bring her sister come a while ago, brother. Well, his sister look like him well want a man, dog.
Which one of them like?
See me woman sister.
Which one of your sister them? The thick one or
the black one? Oh. Look like him well want a man, then just left her and cook give them, but his sister, yeah, my woman sister saying no like his food is salt and it. So me run her out of my yard. But probably a link can set between you and her.
Yeah man, because I'm not going to use no salt then ital.
Alright, my boy, good. But he can't come back in my yard though.
What mean? 3 food salt?
Yeah, in disrespect, my bro. Me not take disrespect. You have to go bring her to your yard now.
Why? Being this me too?
No, probably not. Probably not like me or me don't know.
Me don't know. Probably like you and just don't want to show.
Alright,
but you can't. Alright, just try to build something for me there.
Probably then soon forward because they gone on the road to come back. Or me don't know if me woman bring her sister gone home to come back. But so now we go chat to me woman if you're serious.
Yeah, me serious daddy, but what going for your food? You not sure?
No man, the food finished, man.
I know so me come every day, yeah, I know so we left with food.
You never know say that pull up so dog. We can cook some more food, look more I say, you know. Yeah. Say you're good though.
More side.
Why man, well want to get more money. Oh Lord, yes. Woo. Hey, what's up?
Yeah, Jamaica full of mad people.
You're really right for true, but yeah, anyway, I'm not in the mood for any mad people or any this, but you're looking so beautiful. A shorty like you I would want in my bedroom, you know, to be my wife. You look like your hairstyle too. Your hairstyle look fabulous. Nice and short.
Your mouth sweet.
With what?
With lyrics. I see you talk to people get picnic and going on them panty and then ignore them call.
No, sweetie, I'm not like that.
So I call your mouth sweet, your pocket sweet?
Money is no problem. Me, when I fall in love, I spend money. That's how I stay. But if you're gonna love me for my money, why sense go into a relationship?
We get the money.
So what? So you love the money more than me?
Me don't know you. Me know money.
So
anyway, what you do?
No, man, I exercise because I was in California, so I'm...
Oh, you're from California?
Yeah,
oh.
But I'm in Jamaica now for 6 months, so I'm exercising. Out here it's hot, in California it's cold. Hold on.
No, it's not your phone, it's mine.
Oh, you have iPhones?
Yes, I have an iPhone.
Oh, then a girl like you want, man, so we can FaceTime.
Hello, I'm kind of busy at the moment. Okay. Yes, as you were saying now.
I like, you know, me and you can FaceTime, me and you can do, you know, we can have kids.
My phone is really so up there that I buy more a new one, sorry, like a yearns with the
cheap camera.
Yeah.
You like the cheap camera?
Yeah.
Okay, I can get you 11.
11 only have 2 cameras?
No, Pro Max.
Have that one them one like that one dear. Yes.
I'm just know you?
No, I'm never say if you buy me no.
Oh.
I tell them my wish list.
Okay.
Yes, you feel like you want my number.
Oh, you're right, you know. You're right. So, you come from around here?
Yes, me live right up the road on the third pan the hill and go down.
So why you live in the ghetto?
You want to take me out?
Sure.
Okay, no problem.
Why don't you live in the city?
You have to pay for the city. I go pay for it for me.
I don't have no problem as long as you're loyal. You ever have a man before?
No, pay a little boy.
Oh. Look a boy. As in little school boys. Oh, them are good them man. Me secure. Them not no money, me good. So when can I take you for lunch?
Anytime you're ready, just call me.
Alright,
Until I even later.
No, it won't be later and it won't be tomorrow. Cause I have a meeting tomorrow. So I'll check you down in the week.
Alright, no problem. Just call me. I'm going back down the road now.
So what's your name?
My name is Shanice.
Oh, Shanice. Shanice. No problem.
Right, later.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. What's those big ass, girl? God. Woo!
Sis, come boyfriend, they wait for me. Babes, what happened?
What's she doing now?
Be with me by when my sister. Look how long that passed, brother.
Tell her, I don't want back your sister in
What
the yard.
TV and my sister anyway, me go come.
She a complain about my food, say me right salt.
And he never salt. Me say he no salt. The woman say no salt. Why your problem?
What not do ya?
What you mean by what uno do ya?
What not do ya?
Uno, Samina ito.
What you mean? Can me tell her, say me don't want your sister, your brother.
Me and my sister. What's wrong with that, TV? You don't miss me?
Me no must miss you. You call and I gone.
Because stay there for today.
So come on, we'll go inside and talk with your style.
Sis.
So me don't like you.
Well, I'm coming phone for me.
So you give your sister a phone for.
So game. What you mean by when me I give my sister my phone?
What you give your sister your phone for?
Cause him out there so boring and he nah no phone.
Yo, come on, yeah, man. Come on.
You lock the door?
Me no must lock the door.
What I do?
Hello?
Hello?
I'm in, man. California.
Oh, hi.
What's up?
I'm here. How you doing?
You and your sister still up for lunch?
No, she won't be able to make it, but I will come by myself.
Alright. I'm meeting same place out of the front. So I can
Okay.
take you, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
See you soon.
Alright, see you soon.
Okay.
Sister.
Eh?
Hear my phone ring a while ago.
No, man, your phone no ring.
Eh?
You no ring.
What do you mean by say phone ring?
Check it, no ring.
Me hear your phone ring.
I know it no ring.
Oh, you know ring?
No.
What you gonna do now?
I say me I go down and come back.
You there?
Me I go down and come back. What I go do?
Be there with my man.
Take fi cook some food.
Cook some? Who push food? Anywhere they go. Let me tell you. You see anywhere they go?
B, you know say babes.
Anywhere they go, you better eat. You think
B,
me
make it turn now.
you think me go cook them food for you for this time? You tell me say my food fresh.
So you still feel offended?
Anywhere they go, they better eat it.
Cook, all you do improve this time.
Babe, no bother with the food.
What you mean me not feel bother with it?
What's the man like how you stay?
Where should they go?
He say they go down my yard.
I go down my yard and come back.
Go on.
Cook local food.
Go on.
Take before me go with your phone.
Go on.
Later, your sis?
Yo, me say me straight just can't take a sister and a be.
Me tell us you
Yo,
pick me, brother.
Bro, picnic.
Come, we could go finish where we did
Picnic, I know
start.
picnic, brother.
Come, we
No,
go finish
come on.
where we did start now. We just a go on to.
Girl, how you do yourself?
Girl, me there start chill.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, girl.
Girl, I want to tell you something.
So if you let me start,
I have news.
what kind of news have you tell me now?
Girl, we can be rich. When you see your big house up there, so my father have it and him have no US money and him tell me say he might give me $500. Me so me can treat myself, girl. But you know the thing, you can come help me take out some money too, cause him not always there round. Him always leave the yard. You know where him go, but him always leave the house. So, you know. You ask question, what?
Where for like
Hmm?
Where for like get money from?
Me no know. Me no know where he get money from, but him have plenty.
You can must split it up. 50,
Yeah.
50.
So now that me I go do. So that's what me I say. Instead of me do 50-50, me can go to the house and take out your wallet and, you know,
Buy clothes.
do hair and nails.
Party.
Yes, girl. You know the drill. But anyways, you want me to go show you the house?
Papa.
Because you're not going to know it. So, I'm going to show you the house. Go on, come on. Because you have no money. The house, yeah? And the house, yeah, my bill.
Alright.
Yes, girl. You know, see it.
See, I can't me. I can't. Here. Come with me. You can't look relaxing on the king size for that. You know what I mean?
You should take your money, Jim.
Yes, girl.
You know, I must sign with you. You should take your money, my father.
You work thick.
Well, thick.
Alright.
But I'm not going to do this, but look, let me set it up on him. I'm going to call it stepmother. I'm not a step thing.
Girl. I have to go do the work. No matter what.
Yeah. But I'm going to do work. We continue to be as friends, party out and every single thing.
Right, that's all.
A big house and my room. I'm going to be right this is so. I'll have a walk-in closet, girl.
Alright.
Everything up and running. But anyways, by the time now, my father's supposed to soon come on. But I know you, but me I go down there so. I mean we are going to look down there so. So come on. Can't believe my father have no viewers that I know.
Yeah, talk about your father now.
Hi girl, I'm a friend. My father, my stepfather, a big house up there so enough US dollars. Someone give me $500 to take out myself. She want to come with me so. You know? And she like my father. So I have to try to set him up.
So you plan to teach for your father?
No, he might give me money. But little later she not have none, so I'm not going to go, you know, in wallet.
That one your body fully dusty because she look up and down for me like she says I wash me because she look up and down for me. I will take the clothespin and clip up on your big broad nose.
Girl, she soon become a stepmother. Stop doing like that.
Come here, let me talk to you. Come here, let me talk to you. Not talk to you. Why you they walk home and tell people see your father have money? You know your father do fi have money?
No.
You know if I sacrifice all your mother what? Oh God. My condolence to your mother. What gone? You never sacrifice your mother? So you walk around and tell people say your papa have money. You know how hard father work for the money?
Or you saying work hard?
Your things say just get up and pick up money off a tree. Listen to me. I up your father, I say me they walk go beg some bleach. Because I wash out my white clothes them. But what I say to you say, San, stop for that little girl. Because by the looks of that child, she like she give me a problem. I'm respect as a young lady, your father grow right. You hear me say? So please me, I beg you not follow her. You hear?
San, girl. I'm here she. Join me.
But come on, Renee.
Oh, come on, Renee. I'm hoping in a batty hole. Come on, Renee, help you out of the batty hole.
No, I'm not getting a no batty hole because she's soon to be my stepmother. Anytime when I need money, we can go to she or I'm going to stepdaddy.
So it's a little 17-year-old, yeah? You get your papa?
She wants him, so why not?
And you don't have no ambitions if you go to cut book.
What is more book? Book can help me.
She want money.
So you feel to say when you get money from man, so you got to feel your life depend on man. You can't depend on man. You cannot depend on man.
Oh, you know what?
Because if you don't have no education, no man, no one don't get you can't help you, man.
You for have money.
Oh.
Money.
Money.
Money, girl.
Money can't run out.
No.
Me say it's an idiot. Me say all the parents nowadays be buffoon. They stupid people.
But no, from school.
You listen, no sense. Let me tell you more for everything. I don't know sense now.
Girl, it's so hot.
Me need to have a word with your father because you don't know no sense. Ah, you look where you in up on the road. Shut up something.
But who tell us some first
go on
before
your back
and
all
look her
flat
back?
like a pancake when you drop it on the pot for fry it.
Eh? Who tell us
You just
some
every
fun
time
and
you
back?
come in, you look up and down on me. Yeah, what? Yes, I look up and down, Pam. What is the problem? Punch it, they want. You see your damn nose big like a dragon nose? Yeah. Only thing left here that blow a fire. No boy ever say you're young girl. Look at you yourself. Look at you look hookah
I'm
there.
driving a Benz and I get the Benz I want to pick her up too. I'm sure I want to pick her up.
Jealousy.
Bye girl. Oh God. Daddy! Yeah, me and my friend hang out.
We are on the road.
Me have follow go down here, so.
Fuck yourself. Have respect.
You know, I make that 500 you so reach me.
Listen, we'll go send it to you. Hey, control it.
She said she like you, Daddy.
How can I find this?
Can you have money? Where think you girl want nowadays?
Hello, this is 15 Pro Max. Be yourself.
Can I have one?
I'm boxing your fart. Respect
Sound
the
to me.
elders.
Sound to me.
Respect the elder.
Daddy,
Please.
Daddy, look here.
Next one.
Look
Ah,
Look out from there.
Me glad me the right ass. Look for me good.
me look on you, Daddy.
Why you elder think you can show me your ass and tell me say me want her? You idiot?
No, Daddy. But she said she like you.
Like what?
She like you. You can't stop me from liking
Go
you.
and like yam, carrot and cucumber Irish. You don't like me.
Sorry, I'm with you.
Yo, where you
Daddy.
go by the way? Where you go by the way?
Me go follow go down the road, don't you, so?
You don't have a friend you want?
No, I'm a school friend. A long time I know her. Daddy, me my 500 you said that, so you say give me to go to shop.
Go and share your account.
So I share it. Alright, bye Daddy. Bye.
Tell me your pipe in the
Alright,
road.
later Daddy, me soon come home.
Don't make 5 o'clock catch up on the road.
Alright, 5 o'clock won't catch me. Bye Daddy.
I just send him mother there. She not there here. She not call. She not there. Yeah, yesterday. She never there here. Every day you come and beat me on the one door.
Hi mommy.
What?
Me have news to tell you.
What you have to tell me?
First, she's my friend, new friend. But anyways,
Come with a different friend.
Daddy they own us live in a big mansion.
Your father run this live in a big mansion.
And look how we live in a.
From when your father get mansion.
Anyone the house not done bill yet. And it's gonna give me $500 for him. Go treat myself, my friend.
$500?
You know the manners.
Good evening, sir.
So, you never remember that when you step in
Never tell my mother the good news.
So, not even your mommy and tell good evening or nothing.
Used to it. Good evening, mommy.
Your friend on the mouth.
How? It matter who him be, just even and done.
Right, the palm property accounts about who him.
She's supposed to be my stepmommy. To have manners too. She got driving a Benz.
This a magic here?
Yeah, shut up my father.
Your father like this a magic here?
No, she look him, but him no want tie.
Well, you don't even look better neither, although, talk to you.
I had a professor this opinion and look your father. You want same age group pitney as you. Be your father, be your stepmother?
No, she's not going to sorry. We got hang out as friends here, me.
So. You name from money?
No, mommy.
You dey walk up and down from the road now? What you do? What you do?
Wake up and bed. Wash my teeth and go.
You work? You got food?
No, not every day.
Look so.
Not every day.
Every day.
So me say I got pull every day, you know go every day.
I got my friend. She always have bad days.
So, babes, any teacher her for just
me?
Let's see her color put
Look
together
for me and
like
look
you.
for him.
Your father, you get the dress in from? I have your father get the dress in from, because
Okay.
the man mismatch sitting here so much. How much color you know? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 13 color.
No, don't.
Let that with somebody.
I'm here. Come see you, man. So, where you come from? Where you come from, big?
Who come to my mother and news? I'm not nothing for big.
Actually, I know into your calling to mommy and big girl is a come big something. Yeah, your hungry belly friend them.
But for you. I'm not gonna need money.
Yeah, same thing. Well, me have no money, you know. So, you go back to your father, and tell you to give you money.
You say I'm gonna send the money in my account, but I'm not coming in my account.
Wait for it to come in your account.
Okay.
You know, so you need to take up in a hand, but you get, you know, you're not busy with that, you know, that they gone through the gate. So when I look your big old cooper.
Your friend name?
Renee.
Renee. So you plan for Renee be a stepmom?
No, at first, I never want it, but explain it to me. Say she not to be my stepmother, so we can hang out and party and things.
Oh, so.
Does that take for the money? So she not take what you forget idiot, you know, no sense, you know, use this.
I am in my part, like I told Jezebel Road.
No, she give me the money.
Come on. No be a idiot.
Where you come from?
She dey start take your father money, she will take it for herself. She not take it for you and her. You go take your father with her? Okay. She not take it for you and her. Whatever she do, I pick she and she only. Wise up.
Okay, honey. Girl, she ever take your father money and give me none?
She not tell her. What kind of boot pity this me have? How me get her from?
I know. Yes, I'm talking about sky.
I'm more stop on the penny. I could not tell me at all at all.
You can't get her some of what things. She look thirsty.
No, I'm not gonna buy one favorite I want.
I'm trying to see me here chewing them all along and stuff. And I chew for them. I'm not eat for money.
You know, I know about she, but me.
I'm giving me card.
Yeah, give me no card, this and I come back with it.
Never come back with it.
I'm not pretty good. Forget more of that. I say it too. I'm so well.
Daddy, make you come back over here, so.
How are you that?
Who tell us say is the daddy?
Brighty.
You live with him.
My people can't ugly so. Ramp with me. Your face I'm bright about daddy. Oh, you can't.
Hi, but you don't look better.
My people foot can't full of so much ear. My people don't wear Crocs.
But you don't look better. I still shoes. I remember mama can't afford.
Shoes. My opinion only wear shoes when I go out. You know wear shoes in the yard. My opinion wear so much color.
I close them name.
And half a pendant punch. I must say mad.
But I mean,
daddy. No babes out.
But me hear that Crocs.
It's that different babes. It's a Crocs. That's not a Crocs.
What else? You know what is?
Crocodile that babes. Oh, baby.
But what you have on your foot, you can't put your foot there. You can't lotion your foot too.
Brighty is here, look at those ones and some foot look what. So I mean, Gucci.
Anyway, me not come about you.
Brighty, this can buy everything when you're
I tell you, daddy, I own this as strong palm money and we live in a this. You need to step up your game. That's why we need she.
That's why we need she?
Yes.
Also a team we recruit.
We need money.
What am I talking about?
So now give me a card if we can buy something.
Yeah, which card?
Where did I go?
I follow she go down there, sir. She shall go down there for follow her.
Hey,
buy some.
Let's say weed fine. I can't.
Me can't deal with this.
I
make sure say you reach back on your people and me call you when you're not dead. You hear me say?
When we get the money, I can give you something. You know what I mean?
She not get them, come on.
Okay.
Bye,
mommy. Bye, sir. Lotion your foot.
Come by me, take for yourself and go learn to dress. Babes, no sir. You forgive one bit of picking in your life. You're gonna get that.
You like more people?
If me then look lead that boy, the breeder. You know, say no nonsense. All the money on me spend for you and I love your babes. You know want me breeder.
You come go lie down.
You don't you.
We can't leave the yard in peace.
Daddy, hi.
Yeah, hi.
I don't know where my just come from.
We have walk up and down all over the globe with all this one.
I'm a friend, but not nobody else to walk up with.
Yes, I'm going to look good for you.
No, you come out look good for the fly them. Hey, ginger fly, I was slapping the head with the phone, you know. Hello.
Oh.
control
The
it.
money, Daddy. The money.
Oh,
Not reach my account yet.
Oh, the 500 US. I'm there about me right now. Talk to.
You can't let it go to your pocket now. Just give me.
No,
I'm gonna feel good on a line.
Listen, where you going to 500 US? And that more I know from no. Because you see, you know, girl, if it.
Me have enough. Girl, let me follow that way. I'm talking. I want the money me I get. So, I use half to treat myself. I'm gonna save the rest.
I'm gonna save the rest.
Yes.
You use half to treat yourself.
Yes.
And you're gonna save the rest.
Yeah, girl, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna save the
What
rest.
is 250? How much you calculate to?
You know, she want money too, so I have to give her.
Huh?
She want money too.
So you are take my
Mommy want money to build big mansion and look where we live in now.
Listen, I hear mommy choose to go live with man, you know. Your mother choose to go live with man.
That not say
I never put out your mother, so don't talk.
That not say about that.
Your mother never knows that me have money until to the day, yeah. And you are lavish and I tell everybody. You is the fault of everything. That's why you see you. You see you.
We need the money. We need the money so they can feed me. She tell me I see me go to school every day. She not no money. She a mumble.
Let me ask you a question. Your mother ever seen her go to school? No, me seen her go to school. No, my money seen her go to school. No, my money go to supermarket and buy. Who? Look here. You're colorful. What kind of dressing, baby?
Buy me papa clothes. I said all the clothes I have in my basket and I have to wear. Same thing, mommy boyfriend and
type
talk
of friend you parole in a
yeah,
short,
chop, but what is?
Meaning blouse and tight.
So you want me to dress too? No, Daddy, me don't mean it like that.
You don't mean it like what?
Me don't mean it like that. She can't ask about my colorful clothes, so I can't ask her one question if I say you want me to dress too because she not colorful.
That is not qualified of dressing.
Then what is it? Clothes?
Then the clothes that's when you go to your bed.
So, me have me now? I just
I still feel like I said the whole of the people in the area, they broke with mad disease. Go on up, please. I beg you, I don't care this guy in the yard. Go up.
She shall be in my bedroom.
I'll box out your teeth there before you leave. Go on.
Alright, bye, Daddy. I want juice. If I buy juice, don't get for me.
A mixed tongue. Go on.
And the money, remember.
I want to go to a bank. Look at girl, go on up.
Okay.
Drag your ass, go.
Alright, girl, come. What? What? What am I going to take from my father? What you say, I'm going to give me money?
You know me say, when I go, you have to get every $1. Find somebody who wants us and sell it out. And when you're done, you can move on.
So why not me keep it?
Oh, you mean you?
Yeah.
It's no point now. So, you really take boots up for your friend to go up your father?
You hear me tell her say why I'm not do it?
Son, you look like young and don't have no sense. This is a friend you're par with, it's bad company. You can't par with somebody like a she. Where's enough? Who enough? You can't go on. Listen to me. Anytime come on to Papa's daughter, in a business, me not involved in the conversation. I will put myself in the conversation. Here's a bad could pick me. Who you feel type if you got teeth? Yawa. Who stepmother? Because your stepmother go sit down. You have to pick me about stepmother. Oh, you run down so belly? Papa don't want something like you. You too maga cranny.
Oh, you know
me
that.
know, Papa, you too maga cranny. But it's flat now. I come like a shit up.
Yeah.
A pad you put yourself look fat up?
No.
A pad them here see the pad, but no pad look. That's all they do at the time. Come pad look, come broke out the picnic. You go up in the yard. Hey, son. This is your mother, your stepmother. Come here. Come here. Come here, Santan. Santan, come here. Come here, say something to you. Look at her. How we are to do? She army.
Girl, come over here so I'm looking in your face. You there? You see that road up there, so? Take a look at my mouth. Gonna take my foolish advice. Do not follow your idiot friend and rob your father. You hear? Make your father give for your own. You hear?
You think I give me money, Max? Money
Hold on. You don't need money. You don't need the money right now. You know what you need right now?
What?
Education.
I have my education.
You know none. If you have you don't want your father money, you go look your own. Go on up.
Kid.
Yes, go on up with daddy yard. Go on up, you hear? Go on
Renee.
up. What do Renee?
Go on, you go talk to that one, yeah.
Alright.
Why you not back up your crocodile face for out of my face? Dinosaur balls! Back up! And hold on the camera on the other day too. Right, good on the road. Good on the road. Good on the road. You feel like my friend again? You feel like my friend? Wait a minute. Go on the road.
Wait a minute, business.
Go on the road. Down the road. Down the rocky road. Yeah, what? Boy, you want to prepare the tea. Come on, line.
Here's the
I
nuts.
talk to you about that. I don't like that man.
Relax, man. I'm doing it now. It's a smoke. I tell you now. I complain.
Mommy. Good evening.
Evening, you come with manners.
She dumb.
No, because even I talk to you about what I roll. No, he. Alright, good evening. Alright, you see like you can say he really tell about her and we can her.
So she move like she disabled.
That's not that. My friend says you got teeth that money. Your father treat you good. If you want something, get it out. So what you want to go for that friend and teeth? A teeth me a girl? No, mommy. You ever see me a teeth? Okay, so what you want to teeth? I take too long to give me money on my account. Make sure you got teeth. You see, if you got teeth, your father, you see anything reach you, I don't business. What do you mean you want to teeth your father? After your father, they give you everything. You don't bring your money, come give her. You see, you need to find a better friend, because that is not a friend.
A teeth you raise. How long a teeth you raise?
Look, let me raise teeth.
So you go one side for me to hear what I go on.
You let me raise teeth?
For me look upon him.
No, I have to talk to my mother.
What teeth in?
I have to tell her what happened.
You think so me not hear what I go on every day coming here talk about teeth. A teeth you grow.
See teeth, eh?
And a teeth you
that
grow.
That tell this one of the teeth, and that should tell me.
Yes. So listen good.
So a big rat this?
No, I'm friend.
A big
You
rat and
need
you're a
to
little
stop
rat.
her with she, because she will lead you astray.
She
You see,
poor.
Then go find somebody take care of her. What you need to go take care of you? How much?
Can't see it, man.
16.
So how you gonna take care of Penny? Me not tell me about me can't just take the money because me not thieving. Me like a thief?
Anyways, she will take the money. And me and she are going to
Mind you see anything reach you, don't come here so I don't know you.
I'm fair double friends.
Don't tell nobody say me is your mother. What me say enough to do?
Don't come back. If anything reach me.
Alright. Me is not your mother.
Alright. And you reach now you had
Me
just a
is
sweat
not
7 minutes.
your mother. Because me not grown a thief.
Girl, tell her what you gonna do.
Not tell me what you gonna do. You not come back here. If you're coming back here, don't bring this. I'm gonna sleep in my yard.
Oh, shut your mouth. And when you come over here, you watch how you talk. And that make me know you think more teeth in my yard. Eh? You come over here so with the teeth in breeze.
It's a good thing me always keep my front door locked, cause see, if you need just step in so, everything would have got from in the house.
But mommy, I don't have nothing, that's why I have to do it.
Your father not give you things?
Yes, but I give you things for your own.
You don't worry about me.
Slap
Me
him on the
alright.
lip.
You not got thief.
I'm gonna talk to so. I should have for me daughter.
Could never be a daughter.
Slap him on the lip.
Anyway, say Ziploc, me I talk to my mother.
My daughter could never be a thief.
Me I talk to my mother and I am not a thief.
Look like me have rat.
I am not. I'm just borrowing the money from my father and giving her
Your
it.
father knows you borrow money?
Not you.
No, not to them.
So what you call that?
Thief, robbery. Touch what is not yours.
It don't have.
Steal.
Yeah, I feel.
No, mommy.
So how you take it?
I'm a father. I'm supposed to take anything I want to take.
You ask him for it?
No.
Okay.
Need a pitney like you.
No do it.
Then the hand and foot they broke.
Remember say if you do it, don't come back.
Tell me that.
Me is not your mother.
I'm going to sell it house too. The mansion might be the one I sell it.
How where you get it from?
You know much one house?
That's guy.
You know much one house?
No.
So when I think about sell things, think about sell yourself first. When you grow up.
What you tell
When she grew up.
So what you tell herself to go sell herself when she grew up?
If you want to sell a man property, if you sell him own property when she grew up, but as a teacher or something in life, she can't so bad mind and grudge. And it's a bad mind thief in that you have.
Sir, you tell me to go sell front.
Babes, we can't bother break it, babes.
Tell herself to go sell front.
Babes, I'm explaining to her when she's thinking about selling something, she think about selling herself
Hello,
or her things first.
Ziploc, why always come between me and my mother when me and my mother are talk about for my father?
Ziploc for you. Hey, you see if anybody little? I tell you where Ziploc the end.
Anyways,
hey, talk
mommy.
to that. I mean, lick him in the face and cut the whole
mommy, I'm
teeth,
gonna sell the house and I'm gonna get the money.
Okay.
Don't come back.
That not
Why
no
you do
sense.
all of them the way you do? Do anything what you want to do. As long as you follow this, don't come back.
Okay, so I can take the money by myself and come back here.
Come back where?
Without she.
No.
No sense. Your brain
Friend,
will
you thiefy and you sell one of you and you touch one of you. Don't come back. Yes, sir? Is this. When you say I get they pretend like you lock.
What are you the policeman gonna come to?
Here.
Who? You the policeman gonna come to?
I know you.
She curse and mad
Me know you.
Start in front of you. Mad
Me
smart.
know
Why
you.
you this one me?
Me no grow no thief. Me no grow no thief.
If
so
daddy
me
that
no
take
know
care of me
thief.
good and give me the money when I want the money, but not have to listen to my
Enjoy
future stepmother.
when him have it.
Oi, you have shoes. You have clothes to wear. What
Yes.
more you want?
Mismatch clothes.
I
In
want
a
to broke
match.
bad bikini. Eh? Go and find thief in friend. They not teach you in life. So never you find a friend what taller than you.
She not cheap. She just want to borrow the money.
No, not thick.
She gonna give me it back.
When I hoodlums, I got to now move
But
like.
she gonna borrow.
When I hoodlums, send them out of here. Tell her to stop come over here. Come up here. Sometimes she want to see you. You tell her to stop down and John got the
You
shop.
go for daddy.
And we go down here go beat her.
Daddy not up there.
Don't
Yeah,
put up
call
the
him
over
and
here.
make sure say, tell him say, don't make this come in yard because this a thief. And don't make you come in yard either because him and influence you for thief. And
You
no,
know
but
daddy.
you must find where she live.
We hope that's so.
You live with him. At this point,
No, we have a fly out.
and if you put on a wire back in yard, how you go thief this thing then?
Fly you go away. I must
In
cops.
their work, you know, come until 5 o'clock. So that's why we have to come out and
And
go
you
there.
make him know say you thief them.
Most cops to America. I want to see you.
Because nobody now come put nothing upon them. You see them? They ain't free. Me not take no bangle from
Girl.
no me. You's big enough.
Girl.
Go take your bangle.
Lift up, man. Lift
Where
the
she
place,
at,
man. Lift the
pa?
place, man. Lift the place. Don't
Girl,
go on home,
stop
man.
at the gym,
Go on
come
home.
on.
And next time when you want to see your mother, you call your mother phone and you stay down at John Gatty shop and wait down there. I don't want you back over me yard. You hear?
Me not see a name at the front gate. What do you mean by your yard?
Don't say no nonsense. I'll put up your mother. Girl, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth in my yard.
And we are talk about my father could have taken care of my mother. Mommy,
Yo, leave.
daddy tell me say,
Tell her to
and
leave now.
him put you out.
It's a
You
chat,
come
chat,
up
chat,
fine,
chat,
man.
Me come out.
You
Yes.
fine, man.
Me come out.
This year.
Me come out.
This year. So let me go. You come find this year. Come on here. Mommy. Mommy.
Come over here. You hear? This is a little coat them there. Eh? She love you, girl. That man I can't know, you know. You hear? Can I fit them there? You have to breathe for them lunatic man, the babes. Eh? Can I style that?
Me have partly is enough for me and mama. You know, see mama they gone with him.
Stop chatting now, man. I'm gonna finish chatting in the house. Go on in.
Look,
you sexy
go
queen.
me hand.
What? Me now about to get at the girl no money, you know. I'm thinking for myself. Sometimes she didn't want it. Fly out, gone, you know. Oh God, this is sure. Too money. I didn't take long to give me my 500. Jesus. Oh, money. What me I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna take girl I go to my mother. No, me fly out. Yeah, teeth it. Oh God.
Where I go?
What do you mean by where me I go? Me I go down the sun.
You know what I mean? Clap your sorry for you. You don't get the money.
No, me not get it.
What do you mean you get the money?
Me not get it. It's like me must say my message she call daddy phone, you know, and tell daddy say me go teeth money, you know. So she call him and she tell him and when me go up there, me see daddy and wait for me.
See this walk past and see about.
You know me I come for. I can't use me little trick them pan him no more like I use for mommy girl.
You know, see about it's a informer. But it's a informer.
You don't talk to my mother like that. Hard working. Anyways, something.
You don't find out
Girl, you look him. When not go to go ask him where something
Girl.
cut up.
Girl, but wait everything.
Homeless. Look homeless. Go to him.
Girl, but wait every single thing. Take it for the attention. I'm not getting it. So,
girl, to be honest, you look like you say your teeth issue, so you don't want you.
what you supposed to mean? You're collaborative, girl? What kind of friend are me?
You know my mother yet.
As I say, you will find out where you got the money.
Alright. How much will I get to time money?
50. So, you get 50.
Alright. My daddy up there, if you go up the tree, him up there.
Okay.
Alright?
So, for that attention.
Forget my father attention. He name Popeye.
What me forward to get?
Him no want you. Look how you look. Girl. Your body so keen. And him not gonna want you. Girl, you have to wear something more sexy. So later I go down there, so yeah. Bye. I'm going to my mother.
You know, say that you tell the girl. That you tell. But me not whine.